What's going on, chat? What's going on? Damn, I'm excited for the stream. Just check if everything's working, right? Yo, what's up? How do you guys are looking at this like, what is this? Look at the quality, bro. Look at the quality, look at the lights. We are so back. What's up, everyone? I'm so excited for this stream. Look at the quality. Look at the camera now. Look at the camera. Look at this. What's up? Yeah, that's what I thought. Last time you guys were insulting my camera. Look at this. 4K. Up in this hizzy. 4K. Alright? You can see my freckles on my face. Damn. The quality. And now I can play. I realized what the problem was. To play a little bit of chill music in the background, right? Because I realized the problem last time was actually it was connected to my sound, my speakers. What do you guys think of the new camera? Better, no? So sick. It's so sick. What's up, everyone? What's up? What do you guys think of the new camera? We're so back. I think this is better than the office now. So the reason why the audio was loud because it was on my PC, right? So that was the problem. Did you see that drop on gold? I absolutely am. That camera is dope. Yeah, it's crazy, you know? It's literally, I went in the store. I'll tell you guys a story. Wait, it might be a little opportunity for us, like immediately off the bat. A little drop. I'm still bearish on gold, so yes, we are looking for sells. Hopefully we don't tap this area just yet first. Okay, no, but we just drop it. I'm looking for sells for sure. I'm waiting for us to pull a little bit of a pullback. Yes, I do see the drop, guys. Don't worry. And the drop was crazy, but I think liquidity sweep. Yeah, we come down and tap into this zone like we did before, but I'll get into it now. Luke, check your mic volume. Is my mic fine? Because I put like, I don't want to be too loud. Probably is a liquidity grab, but I don't think we're bullish. That's the thing. Is the mic fine? All good. Quality camera. Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Yo, it's good to be back. Liquidity grab. Yeah, looks like it. Don't worry, we never FOMO into a drop. I copy your free trades. Respect. How's it working out for you so far? Honestly, can be honest. I think it's been pretty good so far. What's up, everyone? Thanks again for joining. Yes, I am watching the charts, guys, right in front of me. Don't worry. I just saw a big drop as well. Same with you. Don't worry. I'm watching the same thing. It's crazy. Like as soon as I came on stream, we just dropped. Quality of the video, great, Luke. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You guys see, I invest in you guys, invest in myself. Check the volume level. All right, yeah, someone said that before. Let's just do this. Testing now. Is that a bit better? Hello. Loving it. I haven't had a loss yet. That's crazy. Congrats, bro. Is my mic a bit better now, guys? I thought I tested everything. It was a little bit good. Can someone confirm if my mic's good now? Just want to make sure that's good before beginning. Can someone give me a thumbs up? Yo, I love this new camera, bro. Yes, much better. Cool. All right, perfect, guys. Wait, before we start, guys, I just want to show you. Sorry, wait. Just wait. This made me laugh. Yes, guys, I can see the charts. Don't worry. We're going to get into it. We don't FOMO. Because now people would have started selling here. They would have got wrecked. We don't get wrecked. We wait. So obviously, market is giving the direction right now, right? So market is going down, has a quick liquidity sweep. Now, again, I was looking for sells today, but I need to wait for confirmation. We'll get into that now. I just want to make you guys laugh quickly, right? So I thought last time, my thing was chilled, right? My camera was chilled. Just wait. Have a look at the difference quickly. Watch it, wait. Is it going to show now, in? Look at this. How bad is this, bruv? What the fuck is that, dude? Look at that. I literally look like a ghost, bro. I can't believe. I feel bad for all of you guys who had to watch this. This is terrible. Look at this. What is that, dude? Compared to this. I thought I got scammed when I went to the shop. That's so funny, man. Oh my god. Anyways, it's so funny. Like, I got so rigged. Yeah, guys, don't panic. Please don't panic. Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. I'm watching the same thing that you're watching. Now we can see your real color. Yeah, bro. I was crazy, bro. Looked like I hadn't seen sun in days, bro. Yo, that did me dirty, that camera. But anyways, yeah, what's up, everyone? Some people are new, just joining. Again, someone just asked me, it is going back up, so it seems like the drop was to grab orders to move back up. Could be the play. Could be the play. Can we see your... Now we can see your real color. Let me see. Someone asked me. I'm loving it. Haven't had a loss yet. That's epic to hear. Shaggy Shane live. Do you also go live, bro? Yeah, that was pretty much a nice little liquidity grab, as you saw. Again, I'm glad we weren't in that shit, in that mess, because now again you can see that we're starting to push back up. That's fine. I just want to get everything just sorted here. The comments on the side, that's cool. I want to get this here. I just want to make sure I can see everything clear. Got my second screen here, guys, with the comments and stuff, so I just want to make sure that's all good. Cool. All right, perfect. Now what we need to wait for, the most important thing, right? I'm gonna get into the whole gist of everything. Obviously you saw easy play before we even started the stream. I drew this green box. Now again, this was a good buying zone, but we saw a big drop, which means we don't just buy into something like that, because it could just dip further down. Now you can see just before it tapped perfectly into this green box and reversed, which is a good sign, meaning that we did find some liquidity within this level. And again, my green box was drawn correctly. Again, we saw that we saw price tap into this level before. So this would be described as a FEG, but an inverse FEG, meaning that like this price was supposed to continue going up. We tap back into here and we continue driving back up. Now again, we tapped into there before, so it wasn't too convincing because we already basically tapped into this level. So at any moment this price could basically just not tap into here, but we saw that it came down aggressively and we started to push back up. Now there's obviously some levels that I've been looking at today. We already caught a nice little trade this morning, which was really nice. Thank you, my bro. I appreciate it, hobby. Yeah, I look crisp in this thing, bro. It looks crazy. I feel like what's up. But yeah, guys, let's just run through basically what we need to look for. Again, I think that based on that move, let me just look now, because we came already tapped into this level. Now my thoughts on us, like I was looking for sells. I wanted to tap into this level now, but again, like with this bottom wick grabbing liquidity, you know, we can easily come up and basically that was a big move. Wait, I just want to check this. It's about 300 pip move. So not like, I'm not saying it's directly accurate, but if we're going to push up 300 pips, could be around that level, which should target directly these highs. So if I had to wait for a sell, probably look for more of a sell in that level. This level seems too obvious at the moment for us to take a sell there. Yeah. So basically there's a gap on the price here. This is why I drew this gap on the 15 minute. I think this was a gap on the 5, to be fair. You guys seeing that? Gap there. So price didn't tap into that. Meaning that when you see a big impulse move to the downside, and we don't see price tapping. Now, again, pay attention to what's happening now. So I'm trying to explain, but I'm also trying to watch as well, because we might get a good entry. I want to see if price is going to close below here again, because then we can potentially go for a wick fill. See that price is really wanting to push down. So maybe that wasn't the liquidity that we grabbed. Maybe just wanted to take out thingy. Where's the lower point? Because I'm still pretty bearish on gold right now, to be fair. And the news came out. Again, I'm not really following the news. But the news came out good for the dollar, which is bad for gold. I'm just going to see like how far we could dip. There is also a level here. Let's draw this. That's deeper down. That would be another. So that would be the play, like to take it all the way down from there. I don't know if you guys are in any positions right now. I don't know if you guys managed to catch that dip. That was a bit unexpected because there's no news or anything. This is a bit crazy. Do you guys understand like why I've drawn all these boxes and all these lines and stuff like that? We're trying to find like gaps in the market. So this has been sort of retested, but not on the 5 minute. It has. So I'll draw this slightly up because I don't feel like we quite tapped into that. I just want to see it's been pretty much tapped. This will be a tiny gap here, but that's nothing too crazy. I still feel that price could tap into that level. Maybe not today, but it is a level that I'm going to pay attention to right now. Luke in the white tee equals a win signal. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, how's the trading been so far, guys? So we're obviously looking at the gold chart. Let me just break it down. I just want to have a look at the 4 hour. What's happening on the 4 hour? Let's delete this. It's not really relevant right now. That I can delete. Is the background music alright, guys? I just kept it on like just for a little ambiance so I don't get lonely sitting in my room, you know. I made sure the volume, because I realized the volume was connected to like the thing, so it wasn't on my speaker. It came directly through the PC itself. Let's start off with this, guys. So I'm going to do a top to bottom analysis just so you guys understand. So there's some things that you guys need to understand, right? Very important aspects that I look at. Now, forget about these lines now. Just don't worry about them right now because it's obviously on the lower time frame. But have a look at this, right? So if we look at the current structure on gold on the daily, right? What do you guys see? Took some W off your free signal. Sick. What do you guys see? Based on you guys, now I want you guys to answer questions now because I need you guys to get more involved because this will help you develop a better understanding about things, right? When you're looking at this, the daily right now, what do you guys look at? Do you think that the daily is bullish or bearish? Type in the comments. Type in the comments. Say what it is. Bullish. Okay. Next. Anyone else? This will help you guys. This will help you understand things. So I'm going to wait for at least 5 people to say before I move on. Otherwise, I'm not going to continue explaining because you guys need to understand this. You guys need to understand the top to bottom analysis. Higher, 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 low. Everyone else agree that it's bullish. Brand said it's bearish. All right. Anyone else? Bullish. Bullish. Okay. So majority said bullish, and I'm going to agree on the bullish, right? So why it is bullish is, again, now this helps you understand because, again, you, like Bran, I'm not trying to call you out, but again, it's important that you guys understand there's another bearish, so this is great. You see there's some conversation going on here. Maybe a change to go down. So, again, when we're looking at this as an overall, right, we're looking at the current structure, right? So we got obviously a higher high here, higher low, higher high, and then now we got a higher low, higher low over here, and now we got a new higher low being formed, right? Now this is important for you guys to understand. Once we broke above this level, right? Let me just get my tool. You see that we broke above this, right? Broke and close above that. Do you guys see that? You guys see that we broke and closed above that, meaning that in any point, and when we have a look at something like this, what does this indicate? What is that? What have I always told you guys? When we see one big candle, what is that? What is that? Let me see how close you guys have been listening to me. What is that? What have I told you guys? Remember, I broke it down on the last stream. I said to you guys, this means that there is, when you see one candle, do you test bullish. No. Guys aren't listening. I said that there's no structure. There's no structure being formed on the 4 hour. Meaning that at any point, this can just drive straight up. If it's going to be a 4 hour candle, 1 hour candle, it can just drive up, right? Because there's no structure. This is just one candle. It's not doing this, right? Let me do this. This is structure. This is just one candle, right? That's structure. That's not structure. That's just one candle. So a breakup with strong volume, yeah, it's a volume candle, sure, but at the end of the day, there's no structure there. So at any point, this can fill this candle and make some structure, right? So that's important for us to understand. Yes, on the daily we are bullish. Let's go look at the 4 hour now. So we've established, yes, on the daily we're bullish, right? Because we broke above these lower highs over here. We create new lower highs according to this, and we could potentially make a new high and form a new structure, right? We don't want to look too far left, but the best left indication is over here. So yeah, so that's important for you guys to understand. Remember, structure is important, all right? Structure is very, very important, especially when I broke it down to you guys last time. Now we have a look at the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour, and what do we see, right? See that price broke above there? Now is it more clearer? Now you guys are going to look at this and you're going to say, Luke, we are bullish, right? We are definitely bullish. But when we remove that, right? So I'm going to remove that part. Now, structure's still bullish, right? Structure's still bullish. If we just take this part, we start to see now, that looks similar to the daily, right? This looks similar to the daily, what's happening on the daily. So any moment, price can break above here and fill this candle over here. No top wick. Any moment for us to continue driving back down, we need a top wick, right? Grab some liquidity for us to continue driving back down. So any moment, that could fill this candle over here, grabbing some liquidity for us to continue driving up, or we can continue creating structure and continue pushing up higher. Now, that's one way to look at it, right? So, what's up, everyone? So I'm just explaining how structure works and what to look for. So now we know, cool, we are bullish, right? But now we break it down to a lower time frame. Now we look at, okay, cool. Now we're looking at the lower time frame, looking at a 1 hour. Now it looks like price is consolidating. No, there's a little bit of consolidation. Pull this across over there. Now it looks like we're sort of in this range, right? Sort of in a big range. Now we had some lower highs. Now we caught some higher highs at the point, high low, pushing up higher high. And now we're starting to create structure within this level, right? So now we're starting to push between there. But in between this range, we have a smaller range. Now, again, I'm just going to remove this. I'm going to remove this for now, just so it looks more clearer. Let's do... Okay, this is important. I'm going to remove this for now. So now you can see that we're in between this range. Now, when we have a look at this, we look at, okay, well, where there is some sort of other range within this range, right? So now we can sort of play this range. But now we understand that we've just tapped into this. So if we're going to play this range, right? Thank you very much. I know the camera is fire. I know. Thank you very much. I invested. I went to the store. Quick story, and then I'm going to get back to it. I went to the store. I told the guy, listen here, my friend. Come here. Come over to the corner here. I said, listen, I got ridiculed on my stream about my camera. All right, I need a good camera. The guy goes, all right, come with me, bro. Takes me to this Logitech. Now, I don't want a Logitech, okay? I don't want an entry level Logitech. He takes me to the corner. He goes, I got this. So I said, what is this? He said, it's a 1080p. So I said, oh, so this is full HD. Get that shit away from me, bro. That's what I bought, and it's not gonna work. Then and I said, bro, grab me something in the back. Give me something in the back. This guy comes like, it's almost like a holy grail, bro. Bro, like sun is shining on it, bro. I'm like, that's the one, my guy. He goes, this is a 4K. I said, bring it to me. And then I check it. I'm like, cool. Go ring it up. 1,000 dirhams, which is like 5,000 rand. I was like, yo, I just thought to myself, back when I was a plumber, my salary was 3,500 rand. I just spent 5,000 rand on a camera. But you know what? It looks cool. So fuck it. We're gonna move. Entry level, bruv. Entry level HD camera. I didn't walk in there with my Patek. I mean my AP, bro. So this guy thinking who's this low Joan type of guy? Not coming in with the watch. You see, when I don't have the watch, people don't respect me, bro. They don't know who I am. They're thinking, yo, this guy coming in like, what does he want, bro? I come in with the chain, okay, maybe the guy thinks it's fake. All right, fair enough. You know, a guy from Africa coming with a chain, you know, you never know, right? Because I could have fugazzed it. But no, this is a real chain. Still shines with diamonds, but he didn't believe me, bro. All right, so I do understand the guy, but next time the guy knows, don't fuck around, give me the camera, let's get out of there. Walked out that store, people were telling me, yo, who's that guy with the camera? Because I didn't even, the woman says, do you want a bag? I said, no, I don't want a bag. I want people to know that I got a good camera. So I walked out there with the camera, like, yo, what up? You know, like people can see me walking out with that camera. I need a bag. I want people to know that I'm serious right now, you know? So yeah, that was the good part. That was my day. People respect this. Long story later, literally, yeah. What sinus do you use? What sinus do you use? Sinus. Why is my nose screwed, bro? I used to have bad sinus. I don't even talking about my sinus. No respect. Haha, I'm gonna do some listening on the spot. Right? I'm gonna do the same. Listen. What spotlight showcase? Give me. I got an entry level AP. Yeah. I got an entry level AP. Yeah. I think my AP is pretty entry level. Wait, let's have a look. Wait, let's see if the camera gets it. That's alright. It's alright. It's not too bad. I think it's pretty entry level, bro. I don't think you get an entry level, but it's cool, yeah. Didn't walk in there with that, but when you walk in there, you get respect. Oh, snooze. Nah, very low milligrams, bro. I use I use like a 4mg, bro, because I don't mess with it anymore. This sound is, what's going on here? It feels like I'm going to the moon, bro. Yo. Well, listen to unexplored. Yeah, it literally is called unexplored moon, bro. But what's it, brother? Firstly, I hope you're well, and your audio is a bit off. It's a bit muffled, and your mic is only coming through the left speaker. Thank you very much. I will try and fix that. Luke, did you hold the grail as you walked out? Bro, I did, bro. Like, you don't understand. I walked out there like I literally bought an AP, bro, an entry level AP. Don't have to flex like that. No, it's slight flex, bro. What's happening, chat? Let's go back to the charts. Yeah, let's go back to the charts. The music, yeah, feels like I'm lifting off, bro. Yeah, we're going to the moon. We're going to the moon, bro. This is like a good, like, when we lock in. Okay, anyways, guys, no, let me lock in. So tell you that story. Don't get me sidetracked. The chat sometimes goes so crazy. I need to find a balance to, like, talk to the chat and still actually trade and do my job, you know? All right, what are we looking at? Okay, so cool, guys. Like I was saying on the 1 hour. So we were on the 1 hour, and we understand that when we have a look at this, right? Let's get this tool. So if that was the range that we were in, understand that, okay, yes, we had 2, even 3 candle closures in that, pop back up. So that was kind of a fake out, came back down. Then this wick kind of actually put us off because we've now already tapped into this level. Now, at any point, we can fill this wick, but we need more confirmation because at any point, we've already done its job, right? We've already tapped into here, meaning that, you know, this range is definitely tradable, but we need some confirmation that we're going to stay within this range if we start to build structure within this level. So the next 1 hour candle will close in the next 5 minutes. So let's see how that closes. If it closes within this range, you know, you can get some confirmation that we're going to be stuck here. I'm just trying to see, because we already tapped there. I'm trying to find like a perfect, I'm just trying to understand where we at the moment, right? Like what do we want to do? Because now there's a lot of drawings. So I'm just going to clean this out a little bit and make it a little bit better. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Bit of a gap here. You know, this looks like an obvious. People would be targeting this. That's the thing. I'm trying to think if I took a sell there. I don't know if that's the ideal play, because if we, let's say for example, this is our range, this whole thing here, right? But let me just talk into here so it's a bit clearer. So like, this is our range. Oh my god, it's drawing askew, bro. Oh, it's so annoying when it does that. Let's say this is our range, right? This whole massive play here, right? Now, look what's already happened. When we've come back into this, I don't know, you guys can't see that, right? Just want to show you guys something. So obviously we dropped back into here, filled and tapped that range, came in the middle of the range, came here, dropped down all the way here, filled that range, came back here, tapped onto here. So obviously this range is being respected, right? Let's say, okay, say we were a couple pips off, but did tap there. Now we tapped into here. Now again, we're in the middle of this range, right? So at any moment we could tap up and refill that range over there, you know? So that's something that we got to pay attention to. You know, so wait, let me just see. So, oh, sorry. So that's one thing that I'm looking at. Again, could be like a good sell. I'm just trying to think like where. It's the only problem is like we're in between that middle of that range right now, and that's what's like. And we came down for a steep bottom wick. Let me just get back to some of the questions. What expedition are we on, bro? We're going to the moon. Legend, we are looking at you with Siberia snooze, bro. I think that's scary stuff, bro. That's still trying to get myself an entry, Wimbledon, Rolex. Keep working, brother. You will get it. I didn't ever have a watch, and now I have 4. His mic is not Omni, I guess. No, it's a Shure. I think it's even better, bro. I just gotta fix the settings, like a step by step. You know, I'm just like, I get one thing working and then another thing's like it's not really working. Soon it's gonna be formulated and everything's gonna look good. Don't worry, guys. Like, we're gonna get everything sexy. More news in 5 minutes, yeah, but it's a yellow folder as far as I know. It won't do much. Talking about the 7 o'clock news. Don't think Mr. Bowman speaking. I don't know if that's gonna do anything. Yellow folders, I wouldn't really. That's like weak news. But again, you'll be surprised. Missing you. Yeah, what an interesting selection of music and missing you. Yeah, I'm trying to see. Let's just. I mean, we can wait a minute and a half just to see what that news comes out with. I just want to see if we can maybe get a candle fill. Let me see. We still need that candle to close before making a move. So calm down. Calm down, bro. Yeah. No, I'm calm. I'm calm as a cucumber. Calm pumber. I was thinking that actually. More news. There. I'm new. Recommended by a friend to your channel. Welcome. So this is the best community on planet Earth. Thanks again for joining. What's the process to getting the newbie started? I think the best thing is join my live streams. Join my free Telegram channel. Let's pop this up here. So guys, this is obviously my live channel. Yeah, I'm live. So this is where you'll come. This is my free Telegram channel. Anyone's welcome to join. So you'll get access to this. We also did a banger free trade this morning, where TP2 was hit in less than like 20 minutes, I believe. It was a nice buy on gold. Sent that you guys completely for free. And when you guys join the free group, you'll have access. Just click join LMB. You'll send a message directly to me. And you'll also get access to the scalping group, which is this one over here. So it's got all the trades over here. Also update you with some news, so how much profit you made. You'll also get access to the AI signals. This is just new. It's super cool. It's just pure AI signals, generating signals throughout the whole day. It gives about 5 TPs, so something different. And yeah, it's fairly accurate. So far, it's been about 80 to 90% accuracy, which is insane. But obviously, it's harder to capture all the trades, but obviously it gives you a lot of trades, so you're able to capture that. This is obviously the swing group. This is obviously 1 hour, 4 hour signals that come through, so you get access to this as well. Over 3,000 members currently in there. We also have a crypto group. So this is crypto signals. It's pretty cool. And then you also get access to the LMB education as well. So once you join, get access to this. It's got like 5 videos. I think it's around 2 hours or so. You guys can watch that, learn a bit about my strategy, especially if you're a newbie or a beginner. There's market structure, support and resistance, trend lines, putting the strategies together, how to execute a trade, and then a live example, which is like in real time, which is really good. Then we also got yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to get access to this, make sure to join my free Telegram. Click this message at the top, say join LMB. It's going to send me, and I'll show you exactly how to get set up. So yeah, and we're also running a deposit bonus, so it's a really good time to join. Anyways, let's get back to the charts. Let me just see. Demo account. Look at the 15 and the 1 hour candles and look for patterns. Start with that. Then once you're fairly confident, put some money into it and have a go. If you're talking about advice, sure, I would first learn. I wouldn't even go on a 15-minute 1 hour. I'd literally just click around on a chart. I would just figure out what is what, but it's best to probably join a signal group, a trusted signal group in the beginning, because this will allow you to not make as many mistakes, and at least you got some sort of mentor. This is important, especially in your beginning journey, because sometimes you might have questions about lot sizes, spreads, fees, which broker to join. So if you obviously want to join the VIP, you'll get access to all of this, and you can also ask me questions completely for free. I always reply to all the DMs, so it's really beginner friendly, and it's completely free. So yeah, you'll win and lose money, but it happens to everyone. Yeah, so the whole goal is obviously to make money. What's the yellow folder? It's someone speaking, but I don't think it's going to do anything. It just came out now. Seems like we do have some sort of rejection, but I wouldn't be phased about yellow folder. Where did you learn the theory about trading? I'm quite new and would like to learn the trade theory. Do you maybe recommend a book or something? In terms of what theory? Like in terms of like obviously there's loads of theory to learn. My best advice is skip all that bullshit. Try and just, don't overcomplicate trade. The more you try and learn every single bit of detail, like I'm gonna be honest, don't know what this does, don't know what this does, don't care about this, don't care about this, don't care about this, I don't care about it. So if you're gonna go out and learn all of this, your brain's gonna be fried and you're gonna be probably more confused. So yeah, my best advice is just try and get onto a chart, figure things out, get a mentor as early as possible, because this will save you a lot of time and money, because this will help you to avoid careless mistakes that, let's say, a mentor like myself did in the beginning, and this will obviously help you grow essentially like much faster than if you're trying to do it by yourself, because I feel like some people take a bit longer, myself as well. I took a bit longer, which is fine, but it is what it is. We all learn at our own pace. Cool, thanks for joining. This was advice. Thank you. What do you think about the trade-in bots? Tried them. I don't think they work. I think there is like, you do copy trading, fine, because you're following someone else's strategy. If you trust them and it's good, fair enough, then it's fine. But a bot, think about a bot like in terms of, if you have a bot, depends whose bot it is, right? I haven't personally used, there's some bots that are really good, but some of the best bots use a negative RR, but most people wouldn't understand that. So you guys want a bot that gives you a 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6 R, forget it. You're never going to find it. If you want a negative RR bot, completely automated, that can work, right? But I feel like, you get semi-automated and fully automated. So if you want a fully automated, you might try and get like very low, you might get a very low like amount back, and there might be something that's profitable, but it will be very small amounts. But you might get something that's like, let's say how do I say it? Sorry. Then you could say also that a semi-automated where there's still some sort of human interface. Like let's say, for example, you see a trade like this. It's a good question. I like this. So let's say, for example, you took a sell here. Boom. Okay, your the bot puts in the stop loss here. Great. He's on a, let's say a 1, 2, 3. Let's just call it like that. Let's say your bot is there, but like you as a trader know you should probably close a bit here, right? You do get some bots that close partial and stuff like that. But let's say, for example, you want to close here, but you go to sleep. Then instead of this bot actually closing your trade, like let's say at a 1 to 1 or a 1 to 2, this could be a loss. So if you can try and manage it, you know, but then there's also a gray area about when to close. Is the bot right or are you wrong? Are you right and is the bot wrong? You know, so there's a fine line in what to do, right? Like you might hit a 1 to 3 and you might have closed early. So it's tricky, right? Yeah, fully automated. There's a fully automated bot that works. You know, I think there'll be a lot of people on that. So yeah, I hope that answered your question. Trying to see. So price obviously hovering between this level right now. Let's see, we're consolidating for a bit between this level here now. We speak close to the mic. Yeah, nothing much yet. I'm waiting for either some sort of rejection down. This is pretty much a no trade zone. Pretty much. Like while we're still here, wouldn't take any trades in this area right now. Let price fizzle out a bit, find the direction, and we jump on that. Yeah, the AI signals are deadly. Like again, there's AI signals, which is really good, fully automated, but you know, they do work. They're very high win rate. Notice you are not using a trend line here. Yeah, I don't see a trend. Because like if we're gonna do a 15-minute, like again, if we're gonna do a 15-minute trend line, you know, if you're gonna take it from the high to low, it's good to use now. But like, let's say for example, we take an extended line, we put on the magnet tool, we take the lows, we take the red to the red. It's fine to use. Like it's valid, but it's still quite a while before we touch that, and we need 3 touches, you know, for it to be validated. Now again, we could go on to like a 5 minutes. Have a look at that, see if it looks any sweeter. Oh well, what the fuck am I doing? Okay, wait. Sorry, I clicked on. Get out of my face. Yeah, 5-minute trend line. It's looking bearish though. I mean, it's pretty good. I don't always use a trend line. Like that's just not a part of my strategy to always use a trend line. Sometimes I just use supply and demand. Sometimes I use trend lines if it's valid. Like again, I can't draw that there, but I knew that price just from eyeballing it that it was quite far from that price, so I can keep it here as reference. Again, if we look here, we need to take, this would be the next 7 hours, and if that perfectly taps into, let's say, this FVG level, we tap into here, tap into the trend line, that would be like 2 confluences that could add up, and this could be a perfect sell. But again, that's in the next 7 hours for it to hit. So at any moment, you know, price could do something else in that moment. Tried several Bitcoin AI signals, all profit. Yeah, the Bitcoin signals are crazy. Also, the currency signals are also really good. So I don't know if you guys do trade currency signals in there. The gold signals, obviously mine are pretty prime. Won't lie, I don't want to be humble. I think my gold signals are one of the best, you know, because I prove it to you guys over and over again. So I mean, it speaks for itself. I think the results speak for themselves. I don't like to just obviously say something without having any proof. You guys see it on a day-to-day basis. But yeah, let's see how we're going to get out of this little level. Again, I still think that price is pretty bearish at the moment. I don't think that we had, if this was a liquidity candle for us to continue driving up, would have seen some sort of tap above these levels, like price pushing above, closing above like at least here or here, but we didn't. So we can still see that we're sort of hovering around this area. So let's just wait. 1 second. Sorry. 1 second, someone's trying to call me. Perfect. All right, sorry about that, guys. Someone's just trying to call me. All right, cool. I'm back. Just gonna pop one of these in. What was I talking about now? Yo, I can't. Sometimes it's hard to. I can multitask on the charts, but like in terms of like streaming, boring consolidation. Yeah, we had our move. Yeah, basically like, you know, until we get out of this little box here, pretty much no trade zone. Yeah. Now that Bitcoin has dropped so low, do you think it is a good investment for long-term buys? Market predictions suggest that Bitcoin will drive back up the remainder of the year. So no financial advice, not financial advice. I'm always bullish on Bitcoin. I always see Bitcoin as a bullish investment long term. When you block out sort of the news and you block out what's happening, you can see that there's so much manipulation that goes on into Bitcoin and crypto. It's pretty obvious, you know, in the crypto crash, you know, like let's have a look at the chart while we're waiting for a thing. Like let's have a look at it, right? Like let's have a look at what's happening in Bitcoin. Oh shit. Damn. As soon as we look crash it. But you know, like let's have a look at Bitcoin. You know, like when we start to see like strong dips, like have a look at this. When you base it back, you know, you look at what was this big correction. It's probably some big news event, or you know, something happened between this. Then you see like in, I believe there was a big crash as well during COVID time. Everything's a bit correlated, right? So Bitcoin just moves. Any sort of piece of advice, any sort of like movement we get in the market, like Bitcoin's going to move. And a lot of you guys like said like, okay, Bitcoin can't ever hit 60k. Like for sure it can. Like why not? Look where Bitcoin was last time before it started to have a push. Like it's a big level here, right? Where definitely Bitcoin is tapping into. Now, some people say, can Bitcoin come any lower? Well, in theory, yes, we can. We can still hover around the 54k level. We can still hover around there because there's a bit of volume over there as well. So we can definitely still tap into that. And remember, guys, I know it's going to sound crazy, but Bitcoin can still hit 30k. Like, I know it sounds crazy. You guys saw it hit from, this was almost a 50% correction from the top right now to where we are, right? Almost 51%. So you guys are telling me we can't go additional 50%. I think we can. I don't think it's too unrealistic in crypto. Again, it might not be now. It might not be tomorrow. It might not be in... it might not be like in terms of like when it will, but there is still levels that need to be tapped there, right? There is still gaps that need to be filled. So again, it could take a massive correction for us to come down to that level. But again, obviously price find a bit of structure and find a base over here. Again, it's like trading crypto is always going to be risky, but like if you can get in and out, I always recommend if you're going to do, let's say, a long-term play on crypto, it's always going to be good. If you're going to do short-term, make sure you get in and out, in and out, in and out. So you can do scalp signals, right? It's my piece of advice on crypto. Yo, a lot of people messaging me now, bro. Yeah, so that's my advice on crypto. What's this music, bro? Should I turn off the music, bro? Is it alright? I don't know. It's like I feel like I'm going into space and fighting a battle in war. Do you look at the silver chart in conjunction with gold? No, definitely not. Endless storm, bro. Jeez, wait. Yeah, happy house, bro. Let's play a bit of happy music, bro. That was like literally felt like I was in the Stone Age, bro, fighting a battle, mate. That's crazy. No, I don't. To answer your question, I don't see any conjunction between silver and gold. Obviously, like, yes, there is some comparison. Like, obviously, when metals go up, they go up together. But you know, that pretty much makes sense. When there's uncertainty in the markets, people put their money into safe assets, right, such as gold and silver. So yeah, it just makes sense. Like, if gold goes up, but again, you could say, like, okay, gold went up for months and silver didn't do anything. So is there some sort of conjunction? You know, that's where people want to put their money at the time. Seems like gold still wants to test the lower end of the range. Yeah, I'm not bullish, man. Like, I'm not long term. Long term, I'm definitely bullish on gold. I'll always be bullish on gold. It's like Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's digital gold, and this is actual physical. Like, or not, it's a CFD. But I'm not too convinced, right? Like, I'm not. I feel like we need to come. Again, this is what concerns me a little bit here, right? So we came down and tapped that level. That we tapped into liquidity, but there's so much, let's say, liquidity at these ranges. You know, if we come down, if we start to melt, you know, there's so much levels here, right? Like, so much levels when you tap to down here, you know. And this is at like 5,000, so that could be also a level that we could target as well. Because, like, this is nothing. Like, what do we tap into there? A little bit of structure being formed. It's nothing too crazy, you know, if we line it up perfectly. Nothing too crazy. Yes, and we fill the CME gap over here. But it's not too convincing, man. Like, if we're going to come up, at least expect us to tap down into those levels, you know. Scratch my thing on the mic. But we could see a potential short. Like, I'm definitely looking at a short. If price taps into here, like a nice little strong, I can't be happy with this. Stop loss would be there. Target these levels. That would be nice for me. I might actually just prepare this for now. Let me just prepare this. This is like a short that I was looking for pretty much today. How far is this away from where we're at the moment? 220 pips. Still quite a while. Guys, I do understand that. Oh wait. I'm trying to get this mic. Is it better now? Hello. Testing. I will get this fixed, guys. I'll try and fix this for next stream. I know that some of you guys, if you have it in your headphones, it's like coming through one ear. I don't understand why that's the reason. I'll have to figure that out step by step. Is this, as long as the sound is a bit better now? Is it good? Let me just prepare a future trade, just in case. That's good. All right, cool. Yeah, I'll fix everything for next, you know, step by step, you know, baby steps. Gold is already going down by me. It's good. Yeah, sweet. I just want to prepare a signal here just in case. Just want to have it ready so like I don't have to panic. Because I'm definitely looking for sells. Sweet. I must figure out why it's only coming through one earphone. That's like weird. That's so strange. It's probably got something to do with this. I don't know if it's a left and right. Let me try and play with that little knob there. That sounds so wrong. My entry view 5179. Don't worry, guys. I will update you once we get closer to entry. Like if we do 51. Okay. 205. All right, let's see. Sounds so much better. Sweet. I just want to see this. Like, I don't know if this is like left and right. And when I move away from mic, don't worry, guys. It's probably like. It's weird. I don't know. I'll figure that out. Always growing and always adapting, alright? That's how we do here in the stream. I like that we create structure going down. Train view seems a little behind MT. Yeah, it depends on the broker and stuff like that. It's like a little different. It's a slight difference. I always like to trade personally on train view. It's been around for obviously longest. And yeah, I like to do my charting. It just looks a lot more cleaner. And I've always used its personal preference, you know. Every Thursday they dump gold during your streams. That is true, eh? That is true. I remember we had that massive dump. Oh, mate, that was so crazy. That was crazy dump. Crazy dumpage. I just want to confirm the direction of where we're at. You know, if we're going to come down and at least tap into this level, that's fine. We can play this. Entry point would be fine. It would be ideal. You know, we can get out of, like, let's say, you know, start to manage risk around here. Start to see if we're going to come down, re-tap into there. So I'm happy with that overall. Pushing a little bit back up. 20 pips, 200 pips, sorry. It's possible, it's possible. I'd be more happy with a sell from here, because then we still have to technically like break structure. So we can start managing this trade if we start to close above here, start to create structure, because then we know like at any point, sure, we can start like pushing back up, you know. Can you show us how to link Vantage to TradingView? Yeah, sure. You just go, there's a little thing, you go trade, and you just link it up here. You just type in Vantage. Vantage should be there. You just click Vantage and you put in your details. So click trade and your Vantage, and then you just connect it up. I'm trading on bull waves, so mine I just trade. I take it from my phone directly. But yeah, pretty much if you trade with any broker, you just click here, find it over here, and then you can trade with that. This was a paper trading as well. I think that's obviously demo account. Does that help, Dylan? So guys, if you just joined the stream, I'm just going to run through a few things. Remember that if you want to get access, join the free group. My link is in the description, right? Click on that link. It will take you to this free setups today. We already caught a massive gold buy. Sent already this morning at 9 a.m. In less than 20 minutes, we smashed a TP number 2 for 1,400 points, 140 pips, which is really good. Sent you guys a free trade with an update. Give you guys an entry zone so you guys don't have to like jump in and panic, you know, because it's in between a range. It's really good. Barely went into any drawdown, which is fantastic. But guys, oh yeah, wait. I want to show you guys, before I continue, yeah, then you get access to the scalp group. So we do updates every year, trades. This is where you get the VIP, give you a little bit of a source of what's in there. You also get access to the LMB Trading Club, which is more of the swing trades. You can see the trades, tells you the RR, which is really cool. Crypto group as well. Some good feedback on the crypto group. If you do trade crypto, it gives you the leverage, how much to trade as well, if you're familiar with that. Or you can just obviously trade on a broker. Obviously, some brokers don't have all the pairs that we trade on here. So if you want to obviously do it, you can do it connected up to exchange. You also get access to the education, which again, it's like just loads of education, especially for beginners. And even intermediate, you can learn something. And then, yeah, you also get access to the AI, which is the most requested at the moment. Like everyone wants these signals because they're about 80 to 90% win rate, which is insane. So yeah, but I want to show you guys this, right? Have a look at this douchebag, right? No, not this guy. This guy's a lovely guy. Shem, he's very sweet. How does the AI give you signals? Fully AI, bro. So it's just an AI on an algorithm and just spitting out signals. It's our own AI. Can't give you that. Can't give you that, bruv. Can give you into the group, but I can't give you the source. Then I give away too many secrets. You know what I mean? People hunt me down for that. This one. No, it was a sell, right? This one. Yeah, this one. This guy. Oh, yeah. This was fantastic. Wait. So, wait. Have a look at this, right? Let me just put this here. So, we entered this trade. I just want to explain something here. But this is why I got annoyed yesterday with some douchebag. 143, we entered a gold sell. I just want to go on the chart. 143, short position. Yesterday was Wednesday at 143, somewhere around here. 143, yeah. Yeah. Somewhere, yeah. Alright. My first stop loss was at, I made a mistake. Let me just take that off. My first stop loss I said was 5201, right? 5201, which is up here. Let's put it over there, hypothetically, right? And then my TP was, my final TP was at 5152. And, okay, we came very unfortunately close. Look at that, 20 pips down to final TP, which is crazy. And obviously we went back up, but this we already closed break even, whatever the case is. But this douchebag, right, messaged me because I said this, right? This music again. What is it always going to, like? Lakey inspired. Sounds good. All right. So we're pushing down much more aggressively. Going to come down for a wick fill here. This could be our entry, especially we're going to come down and close below here. I'm happy with it. Yes, we could have got a nicer wick fill. I'm just waiting for a better entry, man. Gonna fill this wick. And we close down in here. This is gonna be our sell for sure. Because then we run it down. We're gonna take this. We're gonna take this. We're gonna hunt for this. That's what we're looking for. Which prop do you trade? I currently don't trade props, but if I do recommend a Funder Pro, I was funded with them. Oh damn, it's just dropping. Oh, really want to get in a sell here. Come back into this. This will be nice. We have about a 1-to-1. Oh, it's not ideal. Come back onto here. Yeah, because we're gonna fill this. We're gonna fill this for sure. Guys, let me lock in for a bit. Let me lock in. I'll get back to the questions now. I just want to see. So just pushing down. Like we're just gonna run down here. I just want to see how high we pull back. This candle's gonna close 1 minute. That's what's gonna happen. Told you they're gonna dump. Take the Telegram off your screen, mate. Nah. Nah, mate. Just showing people the new people, bro. Matthew, have a little bit of respect, brother. Just showing the new people, just in case they don't know about the. Oh shit, it's still there. Sorry, my bad. I didn't know. Sorry. I didn't know it was still there. Yeah. Let me just see here. Not in any position just yet. Sorry, I didn't know it was still there on, like, while I was on charts. Do apologize. Just want to see how far we're going to pull back. Was that liquidity for us to continue driving back up now? You know, that's the only thing. Now we're going to close this candle back into this range in the next 5 seconds. If we close above here, pretty much any point can close back above here. See these pullbacks. Trying to see where my stuff is. Tap back into somewhere. I'd be happy with that. So stop loss will be above there. It should be fine for me to enter that. I need to see. Wait. I need to see. I just don't want to be caught in the liquidity grab. Just navigating. I need to see. I just don't want to be caught with the move up. My Telegram gone. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Guys can see everything now, right? I'm just trying to see this move. I just don't want to be caught. Yeah, all good. Yeah, I'm just trying to lock in here, guys. There's a lot of volume at the moment. Let me just focus here. It does look very dangerous. It's just that's not the fact that we closed back onto this level and respecting that's not good for me. It's not good. It doesn't mean that we're gonna continue down. If we close below there, great. Pop back up top wick and continue driving down, that would be better. But this could just be liquidity for us to just shoot back up. And I don't want to be that liquidity. Sorry. Big gap here. I think I'm going to take a sell as we pop up here. 5-5. I'm going to take that sell. I expect us at least to come down and fill that range. Let me just type this in here. Could also take buys up to this level, but it's going to be tight. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to lock in here. Music ads, I know, bro. I feel like literally just subbed. I've been hunting for a channel like yours, bro. Appreciate the sub, bro. Thanks so much. So I'm just super locked in here, guys. Price is moving very, very quick here. I need to be locked because I need to be able to send this trade as well while taking the trade, while sending it to you guys. So I need to wait. I don't want to force into a trade. Just give me some time. If I go quiet just now, I'm super focused. I just don't want to be in that move up. Because at any moment we can fill this range, right? Also a weird flex, but no, we already tapped. If once you tap into 60, it becomes irrelevant. So we tap it into there and see then. That was a good buy. Your messages in front can't see. What do you mean? What's up? My messages where? Oh shit, I'm in. I saw it at 5155 in the tools. Yeah, no, I'm not in any trades yet. I'm just positioning this so I can see clear. Not in any trades yet, guys. I normally type it up and normally make it very good for you guys. It's a good buy level off that level. That's what I saw. See how it's respecting this green box. You see, every time we tapped into there, we had a big strong rejection, and again we tapped into this level. We fold this range, so that's what I'm also looking at. If I can get some sort of pullback, we could actually revert it into buys. Mine is on 5161 now. Yours seems to be moving slow. It's a good buy level there, but just waiting for clearer direction. See if we can come down first before tapping into 7-9. He's on the 15-minute candle. Yeah, maybe that's why. My friend Morgan Durant told me to watch you. Said you the goat. Yo, appreciate that, bro. Much respect. Probably you're on a different provider. Luke is on Ohanda. Yeah, it could be. Could be. Probably just slight difference. Yes, yeah, it is also faster. Like last time when gold did nothing. Yeah, I've just been using a Honda for a while, you know. So you guys might be on, like, if you type in gold and then it says Honda. If you guys want to follow that, that's what I trade. So it might be easier to view. Maybe you guys are on a different chart. It's gonna be like small, but it could be big, you know. You see why we didn't FOMO into that sell, right? Because at any moment this price could just reject and pop back up. Come on, give us, just chill out a bit, bro. Chill out. It's so swingy at the moment. It's like down, up. This was a good buying level, but the fact that we didn't come in there and we closed above there, great. That was fine, but you know, that would have been a good buy, but we rejected off that before, right? It could have been a good entry, but yeah, stop loss would have been below here. Would have been alright. 5127. Now we're pushing up. There's a lot of volume at the moment, so it's fine. It's all good. I just want us to confirm that. We still are bearish. Could this be like a 1 hour top wick? Oh, this range is so tricky here, man. So have a look, we're still in between this range. See, like big SL on that. 1.58, that'll be a big stop loss though. If we take on the 1 hour. 400 pip stop loss for a. So guys, I'm just super locked in at the moment. There's so much volume, so I just want to see. Wait for price to just chill the fuck out. 60 pip. This music is really like getting me, you know, getting excited, you know. It feels like I'm literally going to battle with gold at the moment. This is war, you know. I'm like literally, I don't know if the music's so locking me in so much that I literally don't even know what my name is at the moment. We are gonna get it. Why do you think there's a link? Why do you think there has been so much volume recently? I think just there's so much uncertainty in the world, right? Like if we look at what's happening in the world, it's crazy, right? I think that's what's happening. Like there's trying to be some manipulation. There's also been some like people are just going crazy. Like there's like potential World War III being spoken about. Mexico's guy got caught. You know, like if you look around, there's like so much uncertainty right now in the world. You know, I think that's what's making the price of gold swing like crazy. You know, because again, remember what I told you guys? Like back in the day, we never saw these swings, bro. Like this is crazy. Like seeing these swings, like $100 moves, $50 moves, $60 moves in a single day. That's nuts. Back when I used to trade gold back years ago, if we used to see like a $20 move in a day, that was insane. That was like crazy. Like the world's coming to an end. Now we see a $60 move for fun. You know, it's like nothing new about it, you know. I'm just waiting for price to sort of fizzle out, see what it wants to do. If we're going to create structure here, then we can maybe assume that we can come up and tap into these levels. Just see what else. It's like not even a 1-to-1 at this point. Tap perfectly into that level. See, this was my first sell point, but the fact that we got so much volume coming in, it's hard to take a sell off this. Is there any point we can just try? I read something about China rice reset tomorrow. Do you know any more? China rice. Am I reading China rice reset? Yo, no, I don't know anything about that. China rice reset. I don't know. Price. Price. Oh, okay. China price reset. No, I don't know anything about that, no. Like I said, I don't trade news. So, like, I don't really like, you know, pay attention to that stuff. I think we can continue driving here. See how we're going to close on this 15-minute candle. Next 2 minutes. Close bullish above here. This could be a nice little entry for us. That should be fine. That would be nice. Entry there, like if we can pull back a little bit. Save point would be tapping into there, like 8-0. If we don't tap into here now, before this candle moves, the next 1 minute, if we can come down on the next candle, closing bullish above here. See how we close in the next 40 seconds. Just give me a bit of time, guys. We're not gonna just hop into a position, right? I hope we don't tap there now. In the next 8 seconds, we come down first. That could be a buy. It's a buy for us. And I'll be happy to take that buy. Don't tap. Come down first, come down. So that's like my safe point, you know, that 780. Come down 66. I like this music, man. My confirmation would be that we close bullish above this level, but we're going to tap into this 8-0, which I don't want first. Confirmation is that we're going to continue bullish and potentially tap into this level, and that's like good for us. That'll be our exit zones. We could start to look at taking profits from there. Now that we tapped already into 8-0, if we come down a little bit more, I'm confirming that we're bullish. Again, confirmation was that we already tapped down in there, and it looks like we're in the middle of the range. We want to continue driving up, and we want to tap into and fill this 520 level. That's my confirmation. But I didn't want us to tap that 5180 level just yet. I wanted us to come down first. It's pretty shite. 225224. So we come down here. We tap into this 6.5. I'm in there. Rejected off there, that's fine. See, my red box was there before. So we're obviously still going to see a rejection from there. Just want a little pullback. A little pullback would be good. We'll be in there like a bear, bro. So now I just put a limit here, buy limit. Like 6.6 would be our entry. 6.6, 6.8. There's no tune, man. Bro, it's like I feel so happy, mate. Come on, don't. If we tap into there before this hourly close, we can't get in. Come on, come down. Give us a little pullback. Fuck. I want you to push, but not right now. Not right now, bro. Because the RR, yeah, like if we enter now, it's going to be shit. I need us to at least come back into 7, somewhere here, 7.0. Somewhere there would be good. We need to come down first. Like 7.3, 7.3 even is fine. 7.3. 7.3, I'm in there, I think. 7.3, 7.5. 7.5, 7.5, I'm in there. 5170, 5170. I'm in there, I'm in there. So we can get a drop like 7.75, 7.0 between that levels. I'll be in there. Can still come a bit lower, but you know, the fact that we're just pushing here, I want us to just get in there. Are you playing music on your end, bro? Yeah. I like it. It's tunes, brother. I need something to keep me alive, you know, even if it's just like a little elevator music, it's fine. Come on, come down. Yeah, I'm gonna. Don't worry. I've got it already prepped. I'm just waiting for us to push down. Some sort of pushback. We want like a strong rejection down. Like come down for a little bottom wick. Haven't come down for a bottom wick yet, so it's fine. That could be our entry when you come down. Depends how far we drop. Come on, drop. Pull back, bro. 1 hour closing in 10 minutes. If we can come out there. Fuck, we need a pullback. Any pullback we get, we're in. Like if this candle rejects now. So like in the next... A meal prep this time, so no hurry. There, perfect. Come on, baby. Pull back. Pull back. Stop. Oh, stop pushing. Stop pushing. I'm not going to foam into this. I need some sort of pullback. Because if we tap into this before this 1 hour closes, shit. It's like we're in between the middle range. The likeliness of us tapping here is very high, but we need to just have some sort of rejection. I'm confident now that we're going to tap and fill this range, so that's our entry point. That's our point. But like, this is shit. That's shit. Shit RR. It's like negative. How's this music, bro? It feels like that. Do you know what it sounds like? That the music when you on like an ad on YouTube, you know? Like, click here, join me now, and we can have, you know, all you can eat. Breaking. Payday. That's actually a good song. Payday. It's like montage music, mate, you know? Come on. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Please, bruv. Please, bruv. Wagwan, Adam. Wagwan, chief. 7.5, yeah. I'm happy with 7.5, bro. What's up, Adam? Wagwan, Wagwan. We're still waiting for us to get down to this level, bro. I hope we just don't just tap 5.2 now, because that's gonna be so shit. Like 5.75. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Push down, push down. Push down, push down, push down, push down, push down. Where in London are you from? Not from London, bro. I'm from South Africa, bro. Oh, come on. We need to just... So the problem is, if we close above here, it gives us even more confirmation. We close above there, close above here. So likeliness of us pushing up. We've got all the confirmation for us to drive up. But if we tap into here, we tap it into the level, right? We tap it into filling the range. Now we tap it into the trend line. My bad, bro. Accent sounds like it. No stress, no stress, bro. I get that a lot. It's all good. Come on, reject, 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 reject. Next 6 minutes. The next 6 minutes. Otherwise, we're gonna have breaker structure as well. If we tap there now, 5244 somewhere. There's another sell here, to be honest. Breaker structure as well. We got a complete breaker structure. Stop loss will be above there. I'll be happy with that. So these are two options for today. If we're going to push up aggressive, we get into sell over here. Break of structure, fill this range, fill that wick. So we have in a break of structure, we closing above there, closing above there. Then we do have a break of structure, bearish break of structure. And for us to continue driving back down. So it's going, I think, next time I don't meal prep, it's better when I need to cook. Yeah. Yeah, when you cooking, then it's like, it's better, you know? I don't know. This is when we got to be, wouldn't this become a sell from 5,200? Yeah, I wouldn't take a sell there, it's too obvious. I would wait for you, push above here. Because that's like, this is pretty obvious sells over here for most people. You got to always think, where's most people going to have their sells? And what most people would do this, right? Say people going to have a sell at like 5,200, fine, fair enough, makes sense. But then people are going to have their stops here, right? So what do you think the realistic thing is going to happen? Price going to push beyond that, take these stop losses out, potentially tap into here. So we patient, we start selling from here. when most people think that price won't hit into, we sell from there instead of there, and then because this is would be we'll get our second entry somewhere in between there, right? Because if we come up here, chances of us filling this is very high, right? Once we push through that, we're just going to push. So there's no point even putting your stop loss here, because once we break above there, we're probably just going to clean drive through that. So yeah, like I wouldn't take a sell there. It's too obvious. Yeah, we might still get a buy. Price can come down. Got 4 minutes left for the hour to close. 5175 is looking juicy. Yeah, my lips are dry. I got some sun today, you know. Yo, looking peachy. We're respecting this little train line I drew. Respecto memento. That's 3 touches there. 1, 2, 3. Could be valid. Once we close above that, you know, come bullish. Right, let's see how aggressive we push down. 1 hour closure, 3 minutes. Tap into here. We're in there. Like everyone's probably anticipating this drop, mate, just for us to get into a trade where I can just know it. Like everyone's looking there, like someone's talking to them. They're like, "Fuck, we're dropping. We're gonna enter. Let's drop, baby. Let's drop. Let's play. Let's play. Come on, 2 minutes. 1 minute 35. Drop, baby, drop. This music's really getting intense. It's like, yo, when that price is dropping, like, oh my god, who's gonna do it? Bottom wick, but we still need to come out for a bottom wick here. Bottom wick. Yeah. This candle now, this 15-minute candle, comes down first for a bottom wick. Do you watch football? Sometimes. I'd more watch it for the crack, because most of my friends are like diehard football fans, so I just watch it to boil them up. I'm like, oh, bro, Man United shit. You know, I know some Man United fans. I just do it. I just do it for the crack. I just do it to annoy my mates. I'm not like a diehard fan. I can watch it with the boys, you know, watch it for the vibe. But like, I'm not like, bro. If like, I used to support like QPR, bro, the underdogs back in the day. Now I sort of like, I like Tottenham. Yeah. I'm like one of those diehard fans that just like, bro, like right till we die. Like, bro, if I just like a team, I like a team. I'm just gonna watch them. 3 taps on the trend line. 2. Yeah, it was a rejection. Was a rejection for sure. Let's see what we can do. We didn't close above there, so well, QPR win the third, man. Yeah, bro. Back in the day, bro. I'm an old timer now, mate. Come on, push down. 7275, we're in there. I need this candle to come down and create a bottom wick. Small bottom wick there. Come on, man. So, waiting. We're waiting for us to come down. 7.5, 7.5, 7.2 in there. Full buys. 7.4, 7.5, somewhere would be nice. It's been pushed down. Come on, push down, bro. Because my thought behind this, guys, is that, you know, we have like a safe point as like, okay, we're going to come back into here, potentially fold. There's another range here being formed. Pushing down here now. Wait, let me lock in. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, 7.4, 7.5. I'm in there. 7.5. 7.5. Put in a buy limit as well. Yeah, 7.5. We're in there. Guys, I'm sending a trade to the VIP group. It's a buy limit, right? I'm preparing my orders now already. Buy limit. Setting my orders on my phone now. Let me just do this. 7.5, 7.5. Buy limit 7.5. Just gonna place my orders. Come on, don't do us dirty, bro. Come down and tap it, man. Because we're gonna like that. The idea behind this is like we're gonna tap that 5,200 for sure, but the idea is for us just to get a better entry. Like I don't want to get in on a. Don't forget the VIP. Yeah, I posted a buy limit, right? Buy limit. So when price hits that price, that's when we're in, right? I sent already to the VIP a buy limit, so you guys get first access. 5175 is my exact entry memento. Let me just type it here as well. It's like 5170. 5180. Yeah, I'd say like 5180. It depends how deep we come down. TP1. These TPs are going to be quite big apart because they all have reasoning behind it. 5195. TP3 would be 5224. Stop loss is 5129. Cool. Buy limit, guys. No, buy limit. 5175. 5175. A little tap scheme and nap ski down here. Patience, young ones, patience. Push now. Come down. 15-minute bottom wick. We need this bottom wick. It's going to probably come down a little bit into drawdown. So 5170, 5175 is fine. Might come down a little bit further. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. Can't always get a sniper entry. Have it ready. Yeah. I just really hope we don't get like screwed over here. That was the bottom wick. Push. 30 pips, come on. Don't play with us, bro. Don't play with us. Loves doing this, mate. See while we wait, guys. We wait. Yes, we could go in a bit of drawdowns, okay, but we have an entry. We wait. If we don't get the position, we don't get the position, right? Just is what it is. Don't cry. We always be patient for entries. We always wait for our positions to hit. We never FOMO into a position. Right? Imagine we go, oh, I want to buy there. Now you're down, 100 pips already. So, you know, That's why it always pays off. Push, push, push. 20, 20. Come on. I just don't want to be fucked over, mate. I don't want it to like come here then reverse, because that's going to be super annoying. It's happened. I've been like 2 pips away from entering, and it's like completely reversed. I put mine at 5175. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Depends. It could be like a very aggressive move. So like if you want to like wait and then enter, it's also fine. Like again, we might stay in. You know. Let's see. Patience always pays, guys. Always remember that. All right. Because it's already like from here down to there, that's already like 30 pips, right? So like if you're gonna say, oh, let's enter here, then we still go, then it still comes down lower, we're gonna feel worse, right? Again, obviously if it reverses and taps up, no, I haven't entered. No. I know some of you guys did enter. I know for a fact. I know for a fact some of you entered. I have a buy limit at 5175. I'm not touching anything. My orders will execute by itself. I don't have to do anything. Everything's in. My stop loss, my take profit, everything's done. Is this it? Is this it? Oh, you're going to get triggered? Yo, it's like playing around our entry. Sing us a song. Wait until we're in a position. I'll sing you any song you like. Come on, push, man. I don't want to be so hasty, you know, because then it pushes and it just pushes and it pushes, you know, like, nah, just tap into us and a strong reversal, bro. 5177, come on. I think you should sing the Linkin Park song. It'll probably go down. Yeah, but like in theory, obviously we want it to go down, but like we don't want it to go that down, you know? No, I haven't entered, guys. I haven't entered. Always remember, buy limit means we put in a buy at the limit at a point where we want to enter, right? So buy limit at 5175. So where you go, see your MT4, MT5, click at the top where it says market execution. You click buy limit. You put in 5175. You put in your exact TPs and your stop losses, and that's perfect, right? Almost there. Oh, no. Look, guys, like, I know I want to hit that, you know, but it could come down lower, right? So, like, we don't want it to come too low, which is, like, it's a good entry. It doesn't mean it's perfect, right? Yo, it's playing with us. It's playing. And there's some volume. It should come down. It should enter us at least. Now, we'll probably hover around there for a bit. Could come down lower as well. It's just like, I'm happy with 5175 as an entry. Ready to make a little pasta for the kids. I only prep for me and my man. So hurry up, enter. Your man's probably gonna be like, come on, has he entered the trade yet? Come on, I wanna eat. Open was strong. Oh nice, my clothes just got dropped off. Oh wait, cancel. 6. Oh, no. Watching the same charts you guys. I'm seeing it as well. Came down like super close, right? Oh my god. 176. Bro, I love the music, man. I don't know. I personally started to like this music. I feel so like happy, you know, like listening to this music. So it's like I can take on the world, you know. It's like proper, like, doesn't want to enter. Eh? It's like allergic to 5175. It's like a flu, mate. Yeah. Bum, Bum 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 bum. Send the signal. I've been watching it after. It seems really good. Oh. Sorry, I'm just going quiet because I just wanted to. I just wanted to do so. All right. All right. I think we're in. I think it cheekily touched. I think we're in. Oh, and I didn't enter my. Oh my god. No ways. Did you guys get in? Oh no. Oh no. If you guys are in, great. Okay, I'd hit ya. Fuck. Oh my god. Are you guys in? Oh, that's it. That could be the move. Bro. Oh my days. Oh my god. Wait, it's still a chance. No. 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 Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. You're joking. If this is it, I'm gonna cry. You're joking. Dude. Oh my word. Don't do it. Don't do it. What the fuck was that? What the fuck? Dude, that's like 10. Oh, wait, we're still coming down again. Wait. Oh my god. Who's in? Oh my word, wait. Let me see if it hit on the broker. Somewhat of a chance, wait. Somewhat of a chance for us to enter. Alright. Right, we're in. Alright, we're actually in. We're in. Strong little rejection candle, it's alright. Okay. Alright. Nice. Gonna do a reversey McSquersey over here. In. It touched for 5-1. Yeah, sometimes it's so quick, man. Like it like hits like 10 pips. It was so small, or even 1 pip off. But then it came back down and entered again, so definitely got in. TP1's fairly close. I just wanted to see if it tap into here, to be honest. It's like my thoughts. We have some sort of rejection of this, so it's fine. Like, there is some sort of level being respected here, which is nice. What are we in? The 15-minute candle. 15-minute candle closure. That's fine. I'm going to just watch this one. Alright. That's fine, my guy. That's fine. Alright. We in. Tapped again and got in. Yeah. I think everyone got a fair chance to get in there. Remember, guys, don't worry. A little bit of drawdown is fine. Don't cry about it. We can't always get a sniper entry, alright? So say between those levels, like I got in 5175. Shit happens. We can't always get a sniper entry. Again, it's just a trade. It's just an idea. Anything can happen. Always remember that, alright? Right. The thing is, yeah, we came down. Remember, I wanted that little bottom wick. I think that was it. This was a little bottom wick. Previous candle. That was fine. That was our entry. That's what I was looking for. Just a little small bottom wick would be ideal. Be Gucci for me. That's fine. If we break that bottom wick, probably can come down a little bit lower. That's also the thing, guys. So just also pay attention to that. Obviously, the idea is let's just remove that for now because we're in a trade. We're in a trade. 79. 79. 80. Nice. Let's TP one hit. Cool. TP one hit. 4195. Not bad, isn't it? See what a little patience does. Helps, doesn't it? Because now we got like safer points, right? Like we got more like okay points to get in and out of a trade. Okay, already up almost like 100 pips on this trade. Cool. Right, please stop spamming, mate. Shouted you earlier. Okay, I've set stop loss and we'll look later. Kids almost home. Perfect. Go feed those kids. Don't let me be the one. Start. I don't want your kids to not like me, you know. It's the reasoning for entering at that level. Absolutely, bruv. So, had a gap over here, which I was looking at on the 15-minute chart. The fact that we closed, I was expecting us to come down. This was my safe point in this trade, right? It was because I expected us to tap, especially that we came up above here. I was expecting us to tap into this level. Now, the fact that we tapped into that level, we didn't tap on that move. I feel like we still got bullish momentum, especially if we fill this wick. I'm more than happy on this trade. This is when I'll start to move stop loss to break even. Once you start to break that, because I don't feel like we should come lower. Then this should be just a risk-free trade, and I feel like we could still tap that level. And the fact that we're in the middle of the range, I still feel like we came down here, tapped into here, and I still feel like we still can push up to there, right? That was the reasoning behind it. Luke the Pips nuke. That's nice. Actually in both silver as well. Fuck, I hope it pumped. All the TPs have reasonings, guys. That's why the first one was quite close, but yeah, we barely went in any drawdown for now. It's fine. Like, it wasn't that bad. I just want us to like fill this candle here. I'm pretty good. Like, I'm pretty happy with this. By the way, your audio is only coming out the one left side. Yeah, I know. I have been told. I'll try and fix it for next stream. I do apologize. I do apologize about that. I don't really know what the reason is because of that. But yeah, let's see. I'm waiting for us to push a bit more. Did some of you already close the trade, or are you still holding? What do you guys do? Obviously, it wasn't like the first TP wasn't that big. So it was only like 50 pips. For some of you guys, it is a lot. Especially we went in no drawdown. I know someone said they had a stop loss at 6.0 somewhere here. I'm still going to hold this for a little while before moving stop loss and break even and all that jazzy jazz. Okay, currently up 100 pips. Not yet for me, no. If you want to move stop loss break even, go ahead. But like I still feel like we could still hover between it. It is quite a big trade. Still holding, but some hit trade TP1. Nice. Yeah, my TP1, obviously, I exited out of one position. I like that we had that rejection off there. It was pretty good. I just hope we don't come down below and break 7-2 again, because that'll be pretty shit, because then we can come down lower. Then we're going to be in the trade for quite a while. But if we could sort of just break above here, I'm very happy with that. Come up here at 5170. Yeah, nice. We just need a solid push now. Like, if next 15-minute candle close in 8 minutes, if we can break this, I'm pretty happy. I think the next 1 hour would take it and drive us up. I think the next 30 minutes would drive us up to it. My turn. Don't think this is my playlist, guys. I don't know what I'm playing yet. It just seems cool. It seems alright. See, guys, this whole what I'm most happy about, you know, regardless of the outcome of this trade, is the fact that we were patient, right? And this is what I try and instill and teach you guys: patience, 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 all the time, right? Because this is what gets us paid, right? You know, at the end of the day, it's still a trade idea. Anything can happen. But again, we waited for our position. We waited for us to hit our entry, and that was the most important, right? Can we come down to entry again? Absolutely. Didn't see why not. Like, it's quite a big move. Overall direction, I still think we can tap into here. Again, we might still come down, hover there, come back up, create structure, whatever the case is. But it is what it is. We tap TP1 pretty quick. Doesn't mean it's just gonna go straight to TP2. I mean, that would be great, but it's not normally the case. Okay, guys, while we're waiting for this trade, just going to bring up this. Don't want to obviously block this, but guys, if you guys want to get access to the VIP group, make sure to drop me a DM. Come to the free Telegram. It's got over 19,000 members, so happy for that. Click on join the free group, and then you guys can drop me a message. You'll get access to all the VIP groups over here. We do this every single day. Obviously, I go live like Tuesdays and Thursdays, but yeah, it's pretty much what we do. Yeah. If it goes back to, if it drops to entry, it's still a viable trade to enter. Yeah, well, I'm still in my trade. Like, again, it could still very much come down to our entry. Like, this is a big, it's quite a big move, right? So, like, at any moment, of course. I need to find something good here, man. It was a nice song that played here. Feel good, yeah. I like this one, yeah. This one's pretty cool, yeah. Okay, we could still come down in drawdown. It's like, it's still a big trade, guys. I said, to just let the trade play out. Don't panic. Don't panic. If you guys are panicking, you're in too big, because it's just a trade at the end of the day. Anything can happen, right? Keep holding on. Avril Lavigne play that song. I can't. This is copyright, bro. My videos will get screwed. Like, I have to play non-copyright music. That's the thing. I like this song, bro. And look, the price goes up, bro, when I play this, bro. So it's pretty cool, you know. It's like a feel-good song, you know. Let's go up, baby. What's on, bro? Chatted on Telegram earlier. Sweet, brother. What's your name? What is your name? Late getting online, but we in. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Welcome, my bro. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Bum, 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 bum. I want to see a nice little candle to push the upside. Let's draw. Let's try and predict what's gonna happen, right? Let's see how good I am, right? This candle will come up here. Maybe this candle. To try and replicate the candles. How cool would this be if this actually, like, all the candles are exactly like this, right? Patrick spoke about my parents. Ah, sweet. Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah. You said your mom wanted to get involved, if I'm not mistaken. Super cool, bro. That's really cool. Yeah. Yeah, it's really sick. Manifest in candles. Imagine it plays out like that, bro. You guys would be like, who is this guy, bro? Who is this guy? The candles play like that. Drawing the candles for future purposes. Delusion. Yeah. Delusion plus. You say that, but if it plays like that, then, I mean, what are you going to say then? What are you going to say? That's what in the perfect world, that's what I'd love, you know? What is this, a 5 minute? Yeah. Okay, cool. When's the next 5 minute closing? In a minute 30. Come on, bro. Just do it. It'll be ultimate aura, mate. Bro, you don't think sitting in a dark room, you don't get delusional, mate. You get crazy in here, bro. You get wild. Things get crazy in this room, bro. That you got like a bright light just looking in my eye. Actually be crazy if that exactly how it turns out. I know, bro. It'll be wild. So we got the next 5 minutes. I'm predicting the next 5 minute candle. So when this candle closes in 30 seconds, I'm predicting the next 3 candles. So you need this candle like kind of pop up here. Push down. I know it looks ugly. I know that looks ugly, but I would prefer if it didn't do this. But again, we did get a bottom wick here, so it's okay. Candle maker. Imagine that. Okay, here's our first 5 minute candle, boys. Let's see. Yo, bro, it's absolutely doing absolutely nothing. Okay, so we're in our first. We're technically still right with our first candle, right? All right, we're still good. We're between the ranges of 5177 and a little bit lower, 5170 and 5189. All right. Let's see. This would be crazy. Push, baby, push up now. We wanted you to push down, but push up now. It's so crazy. You know, the funny part about trading is, like, you know, you just don't know when that, like, massive move is gonna be, you know? It's like, we're chilling now, watching, but any moment this thing could just rocket, right? Or it could just do something crazy, right? It's like, we just never know when that exact moment is. Alright. Candles playing out. It hasn't come down yet, so, but you know, we don't need it to come down. We don't need it. Like, it's just like, technically it should do that, but if it doesn't want to, it's perfectly fine. We don't need to come down first. We don't actually want it to come down first. Come on, baby. Just give us a nice little squeak. Why? But You know what I never understand, right? It's like, why whenever I take a trade, like, why does it have to... Okay, fair enough. Some trades it goes a bit quicker and some doesn't. But like, why does it have to like hover around? Why does it just have to play with us? Like, why can't it just do it? Like, do what you want to do, bro. Get us, out of this trade. Let's like get it over and done with, right? Like, why must you sit for freaking hours, bro? And this is on a 15 minutes, so like again, it could take 45 minutes. 45. What's up, Sir Cartier? Thanks for joining, my brother. Hope you're good, bro. Hope you're good. Just finish that. My beard's getting too long. My beard, my stash. This music's really adding the intensity, isn't it? Let's go. This is gold. Let's rise. Go. You're stronger than that. I'd never let you down. Push, baby. Rise. Rise upon the gold. It was working. I was trying to push it up a bit, Damn, it really is playing around this 157. Like, really is playing around this little boxer. Pretty annoying, eh? Most consolidation station during our trade in Malaysia. Come on, bro. Just the problem is, it's like, if we don't get the push now, it's going to be a while, and even if we come down, we might like hover around here. That's what I don't want, because it's going to be a long ass trade. Yeah, good. Let's do this. Modify 224. How you guys feeling? How you guys chilling? Guys are currently like 50 pips in profit. 60 pips. 60 pips. What do we peak at? It's only like 100 pips. It was good. It wasn't bad. It was okay. My candle's still valid, guys. Oh wait, no. Okay, well, but technically, it's still in this little candle, bro. So it's okay. So this candle still could be it, because it's technically two candles. I did it on purpose, alright? I'm joking. Oh, it's still cool regardless. Come on. Push up, baby. Push up. Bum. Guys, if you want, what's crazy is gold was barely moving before the stream had started, but then when we get on here, things just happen. You got some magic tricks, Luke. If you know, you know. Do you trade similar to Dovey FX? No, I don't. Got different strategies. He trades. He takes trades on a 3-minute time frame, which is quite interesting. I've seen what he does. It's different, but it's like, it makes sense in what he does. It works for him. I would do what works for me, but he's got a good strategy. Still in this candle, guys. Still in this candle. Still in my little green little thingy. Sorry if the trades, guys, go on for a bit longer. It just is what it is. I want to give you guys proper signals, proper trades. You know, valid. I want to get you guys a bit of pips as well. So I look for good pips, movements on pips. I might trace like 30 pips, 40 pips. I'm going to trace like big, like 100 plus minimum. I want to give you guys some proper trades, you know. Push up, bro, push up. What's the point of these small ass candles? These ones. Are you trying to insult my candles, bro? Are you trying to insult my candles over here? This is my predictions, brother. At what level is it valid to put your stop as a break even? I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know. See the volume on the trade. You got... Is Diego tuning my candles, my predictions, bro? Bro, these are my predictions. What I think the candles are gonna do, bro. Chill out, bro. Damn. Can a man just be delusional? That's my prediction on what I think these candles are gonna do within this time frame, bro. It's the only reason, bro. Don't judge them, bro. Don't judge them. Nah, like how come the candles are so small? What do you mean? It just depends on the chart, no? If you put it like that, they're going to be small. You can also do this. You can make them a bit fatter if you want. Now they're chunky candles. It's because the price is indecisive. Ah, you're talking about like what's happening with the current, like just the candles in general. Ah, okay. Yeah, no, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I wish I knew. If I had that answer, bro, that would be cool. But I don't know why, bro. It's just a trade. Like at the end of the day, like I don't know. Like I wanted to go up, but you know, it's forming structure right now. You know, so on a smaller time frame, you know, it's basically just building a bit of structure. You know. Creating new higher highs, higher lows. So the smaller time frame, it's creating structure. So like on a 15 minutes, it's gonna look boring. Yeah. Damn, this is boring, man. We're waiting for just like one push, you know, like it's gonna be. We need some sort of. There's not much like volume right now, which is okay. I mean, there's still a bit of volume. Don't get me wrong. It's not like it's just no volume. Like 70 pips removed. It's nothing too crazy just yet. Ah, there's okay. Here's my third candle, boy. It's still technically in this box, all right. So like, it still could be this candle. I'm trying to just like milk it as much as I can. It's so funny. It's still within the 15-minute candle. So we still got like 5 minutes left. It's like really like slow, yeah? The charts don't like the music. Yeah, no, I think they're getting accustomed, right? They're like becoming like. No. I like Shebas. They're my favorite dog. Maybe we need this song, bro. Do you think it's smart to move your stop loss or just leave it at a certain point put it at break even? Not on this trade specifically, but on all. So it depends. Like I put my TPs at certain levels, right? Like everything's valid. Like sometimes you will see my TP is sometimes you will see my TPs at like weird points. Like it's not like fixed like every $10 or every $5, right? You'll see it's weird. But it's all because there's key levels there, right? So that's where I put, and that's where I start to monitor it. Like at this point, like I don't see why I would move my stop loss to break even right now. It doesn't really make sense to me. Because it's like this trade hasn't moved. It hasn't played, like it hasn't moved at all. Like again, we could still come down for like a bottom wick, drive back up. Like I I'm assuming that this is the liquidity for us to continue driving back up, because it wasn't this, so we came down a little bit lower, so that was cool. But bro, I think I'm gonna play this in my car, bro. This music, man. It's like literally, bro, never a bad day, man. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right, we're peaking at like 100 pips, 110 pips in profit right now. Break-even point would be like, once you break this, I'd start moving stop loss to break even, like, just to be safe. Like, I want us to push up, but like, there's not much volume, guys. Like, again, if this is not the move, then that's fine. Then we get out of break even and we can find another better entry, right? Because I still feel like we've got to fill this range. But if this is not the move, we might still come down. It's okay. What does it mean when there is a gap between candles? Sometimes there's just a big gap, just where the candle ended and a new one is formed, like no continuation between the two. Don't know if you will understand. No, I definitely understand. It's called a CME gap. So like there was one like here. So generally we say CME gaps always get filled, right? Now how we fill it, like when you see a gap, a lot of people put entries here, they put buys, because they always assume that like price will fill that. So like when we start to see price coming down to that, we probably assume that's going to be filled, or we put a buy there, it's assuming that. But like with this, you know, it would have been a good buy entry. There was a buy set up over here as well, so like there was, people would have made money off this. Like again, I don't know where they put their stop loss, like below there, below here, so it would have been good, you know. And again, this was just a clean range. Doesn't have an open, but I've seen it a couple times. Yeah, it's called a CME gap. I don't really know what that means, but basically, I literally thought this was the price now. I was like, oh, we tapped it. That confused the fuck out of me. I was like, damn, what a move, bro. But yeah, it's a CME gap. Which means that it means that like when, so it generally means when the market opens, right? So the market opens, so market closes, let's say at like 5, let's say call it 5,000, but there's so many orders at like 5,000, 5,002, 5,003, 5,004. So like the market opens instantly and just like goes, because the price is just already well further from the entry point. So that's why the gap is formed. It's like, let's say there's a sell, there's just so many orders above that, so the price doesn't even like react to that level. So that's what causes a gap. The buy and the buy orders and like the sell orders, they don't align. It's just a big gap. Like it's just a big price point to where, because you know there's a lot of people buying now. They're buying gold. They buy. So imagine when a market opens, like people want to buy at, like people put a lot of orders at like 51870, like for example, and let's say for example, boom, a market opens, it pushes to that, but it goes very quick, it leaves a gap. Luke, does more bullish mean it's good? Well, it doesn't mean bad. It just means that there's not much volume, right? It means activity we are bullish. It's just like, you know, buys are a little bit like tired. But it's just like it doesn't mean anything. It's like, obviously it's good if we push it up, right? Okay, so my one candle is not valid. Shit, sorry about that, guys. Maybe next candle could be good. Yeah, it's like small bullish, big bullish, still bullish, right? It's just like, this just means that there's not much volume. Like obviously buyers are more in control, but there's just not much volume at the moment. That's why you see small candles being formed. So it's not like a bad thing, it's not a good thing, it's just like, it's in between, right? It's like price is just, it's pretty content with what the price is at the moment, you know, until like the big players step in and like, all right guys, let's drive up the markets. like we should see a little bit of volume coming in. What's the time now? Like almost 9 p.m. We should see a bit of volume. Like generally what always happens, right, is whenever I go off stream, something happens. It's like always happens. Like, so that's why I'm just going to stay around for a little bit longer. But like generally what happens is every time I jump off, I say, what's up, cheers guys, boom, something happens in the markets. Like every single time. Are you trading gold? Yes, I'm trading gold. Are you trading gold? That's the real question. What are you doing? Are you trading gold, bro? We trading gold, yeah. We as a collective, the community, we're gonna hold this. I'm holding. It's just like I said, gotta be patient, right? Like, just slow at the moment. What I want is just to, like, you see here, like I'm pretty happy with this. So like I just want us to closure above there. Once you start to break above here, it's pretty good. I'm waiting for like the next big move, right? I haven't seen a big move in a while, like for the past 40 minutes. Okay, just joined your live. Yeah, sweet. Welcome, brother. Like again, if we start to like come down again, we could start like slow moving down again. It's just like, it is what it is. Like this is just price. Like when like you're talking about small bullish or small like, big bullish, again we're not seeing big moves. So that's like we're kind of stuck at a range now. We form in a smaller range, so range needs to be filled until we get out the next range. We start to form back into a bigger range, different price range, right? So now it's like obviously between like, now we're between now if we like got not much volume, right? Now we're between like between this now, this, and I'd say like that. It's like playing between this levels now, right? So if it's correct, we should fill and tap up like 9. We should 5190 in theory, because we tapped down, broke below here. This is what should happen, right? This is what like my safe point would be, like 5-1. Once we break above here, it should be my safe point. Do you have Telegram channels? Yes, I do, sir. So this is my Telegram channels. So click the link in the description. Click join LMB. Drop me a message, and then you'll get access to the VIP. This is the AI. It's the swing trades. It's the crypto. And this is my education that you get as well, which is really cool. So this is what all, and then you obviously get the scalping signals, which everyone absolutely loves, right? I would like to join. Yeah, sure, bro. Drop me a little tinkle, and we can get you set up. We're running a deposit bonus as well, so you're perfectly on time. Try to be right. It's alright. So now we should tap this, like, in theory, if we play in this range, we should tap this line. We should tap 5190 within the next like 10 minutes, in theory. Damn, it's crazy like how quick these streams go, right? Yo, it's like already almost 9 o'clock. Already almost been streaming for like 2.5 hours. Getting out at 5186. Yeah, it's just unfortunate. Like, I can't choose when volume comes in. It's just one of those things, isn't it? Come on, drive, brother. We want just one like clean candle. Again, if we drive within the next like 9 minutes, tap into there, fine. But we need some sort of movement, man. Just pretty sloppy, this price action at the moment. It's just consolidating. It's obviously just preparing, warming us up for next big move. That's all that it's doing right now. It's just like deciding what are we gonna do next, bro? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Bottom wicks, liquidity for us drive up potentially. Let's see. Sorry about the volume, guys. I can't do anything about that, eh? There's just nothing I can do, unfortunately. I noticed there's generally a huge volume between 2 p.m. EST and 4 p.m. Yeah, it depends. Like, you can get random volume at like 12 o'clock. 6 o'clock, it doesn't matter. Sometimes, you know, London open is good. Between London and New York is also nice. I might start generally, what I might do is I might start streaming the London session. So that would be from like 11 a.m. Dubai time. Like, guys, don't panic if we come down, you know, because we're trying to grab liquidity. We need to drive up, you know. Right now, we're not getting enough volume. There's not enough volume. So, like, don't panic. We're just trying to grab orders now. We're trying to grab some orders for us to drive up. Gold cycle being like that, but no. Yeah, it just depends, you know. It just depends. It's random times. If you find a gap, if you find a little edge that works, great. Great. It's 5 a.m. for me. Damn. Yeah, I'm snoozing at that time, bro. My day starts at like 8, 9 till like 12. So like, I need to also obviously have rest, you know. It's important. It keeps the brain flowing. Yes. Yeah, so I might be doing London session. I feel like there's a bit more volume, a bit more action during that time. 11 a.m. Dubai time. I'm really considering it. So what I was even thinking is I might switch it up a bit. I might be doing like London session free, like in the free YouTube, but then for my VIP members I might be doing an extra session in the evening. For those of you who want to join, I think that's fair for some of my VIP members, right? Because some VIP members were like, oh, but everyone gets like these free trades and stuff like that. It's not fair. Which again, it makes sense. I agree. But at the same time, I do like giving free value, and I do like jumping on the stream. So it's just like what I do. But obviously, I got to find a fine line. And I think that's pretty fair for both parties, you know. Slow movements. You know, I just don't want to jump off because I know as soon as I jump off, something happens. Like, it's just always like that. You know, as soon as, like, literally 10 minutes, like, someone will message me, bro, TP it. I'm like, you're fucking joking, bro. Like, 3 minutes after sometimes, 2 minutes after. Let's see, wait. It's kind of 5 minutes closing. Bearish. It's okay. There's a lot of volume here, isn't there? It's probably what it's targeting now. Could come down to like 671. Yeah, it's pretty respected level, this, to be honest. That's why we're seeing like some sort of movements and hovering around this area. Makes sense. But again, there is obviously like a nice big So like kind of between this range at the moment. You see, that's what price is like kind of fizzling out. Still a valid entry now. Like I'm still in. It's just I'm waiting. Oh, it is a longer trade, guys. It just is what it is. I'm not one of those guys that just like do these like quick scalps. Sometimes the trade takes longer, sometimes it's quicker, sometimes it's slower. Like it just is what it is. Just is what it is. Obviously it's just unfortunate because there's not much volume here. So yeah. Obviously you can see that we come down here. Have a look at this, guys. Just something I want to show you. So like every time we come here, tap, 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 we've seen some sort of rejection off there as well. That's why it's pretty much lined up with our entry as well. So I'm happy with it. I'm happy. Sometimes we come down a little bit further. That's why I said like between that level, because you can come down like, you know, as low as like, I'd say, you know, that was just like between, you know, that level. But obviously we don't really want it to come down to there, but if it does, it's still, we still understand that it's still valid. Not sure if I'm too late to enter. Well, like we're already in like 50-60 pips profit at the moment. So I always like to enter when I see the trade. If I miss it by, we almost missed it by like 1 pip. So like that just would have been, it is what it is, you know. I've been, it's been worse for me. Yeah, see, it's nice being at home, guys, because then I can like stay on for a bit longer. Like, I hope you guys don't mind that. It's just like I want to actually stay on for the trade. Sometimes I have to just jump up because like it's literally like 10 p.m. and, you know, like got to get home, got to still eat and all that shit. So it does get a bit tricky, you know. As long as like we don't close below there, like it's still okay. Like as long as if we come down, tap down, it's not the end of the world. I'm not too phased. Obviously just preparing for the next move, guys. It's pretty much all we're doing. Like there's nothing exciting happening now. You're gonna see some sort of push come through. If it's down, if it's up, but we're gonna see it soon, right? It can't keep doing this for like the next, well, it can actually, to be fair. I've seen crazy things. Break above 86. Yeah, we peaked at around 110 pips on this trade. Let's see. Just gonna turn on my AC a little bit. It's cooking in it. Just move to TP2 so I can break even and sleep. How do you think I feel, mate? Yeah, sorry to keep you guys here so long. It's not my intention. It just is what it is. Come on, let's get the people to bed now. Let's put people to sleep. Come on, push now, man. Push, push. It's been long now. It's only been like, how long we've been in this trade? 45 minutes. About 45 minutes. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. You guys have taken shits longer than 45 minutes. Just take it easy, alright? Now you guys are making peas, so it's better, right? It's okay, it's okay. Could be worse, it could be worse. Always remember, could be worse, right? I'm still working, so no issues here. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, I might order some food. What would you guys recommend? Is Anna still here? Anna. Anna, mashallah, habibi. Anna, what do you recommend, chef, for food? Dun, 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 dun. I don't want to eat anything unhealthy, man. But Raising Cane's is so good, man. Oof. Sure, I haven't had Raising Cane's in a while, eh? No. I think I'm gonna treat myself to some Raising Cane's. Raising Cane's, yeah, why not? Bottled lemonade, yeah, it sounds good. Yeah, sure, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Yeah, that little move, that 20 pip move got everyone excited there. When you're in a trade, like any move is a move, eh? Jeez. Come on. Oh. You so brave. The whole day we've been sitting here, Chano. See? Come on, man. Yeah, but how boring has it been, you know? Like, bro, for the past, like, oh, dude. As soon as we enter, bro, look what happens before. Like there, 6:45, boom. 7:30, boom. Luke trades, nothing. Nothing. Bro, we move like, oh my god, this is like nothing. Since we entered, we've moved 120%. I mean, it's, like, it's not crazy. We had like a scalp, it would have been so crazy. But yeah. But yeah. Damn, this is sad, eh? Do apologize to all the people out there. I wish things were different. It's okay, we can't complain because we're in profits, so like, I can't really complain, right? On the drop, bro, on the drop. Let's go, like rocket, bro. It's like my takeoff song, man. It was kind of working. Just push up, man. I know, right? Just push up, man. Honestly, annoying everyone right now. What have we got? The hourly close. Let's see what happened on the hourly. Hey, no worries. Would be worse if you. Would be worse if you were boring as well. Yeah, that would be shit, mate. Imagine that, just sitting here like this. Please go up. That'll be fucking crazy. Yeah, money. Cash money, baby. So we're up like 70 pips. It's still not the move, man. It's still not the move. Push. There we go. Now we go low. Got excitement going. Come on. It's 15-minute candle. If this can just tap into your stop loss to break even, we take some profits here. We call it a day. That would be ideal. This is the same music like you hear in the rigger streets in Dubai, the street seller, man. No, it's the one that you want. Like, did you guys used to play games back in the day, like the montage music, the ones that are like, and they're like number one, like they play the games of their, you know. But it's helping. Look, I'm not saying, look, it might be slapping. All right, this might be the tune that takes us to the next level. If it is, we play this every stream. All right, I'm gonna make you guys sick of this song, but we know that it makes us money. Is this a song? Wait, what is it called? Lens goes circles. All right, let's not forget that. It's doing its work, bro. You guys laugh and stuff. It's not funny, man. It's actually cool. All right, so you see, we push in. Let's go at the drop, bro. Are you fucking ready? Bro, it's like, it literally feels like I'm just like, you know, glide into the moon, mate. It's like, it feels like I'm crawling, bro. Like, you know. Come on, bruv. Come on, bruv. Tap into your stop loss and break even. We call it a fucking day. Good night, guys. Made 150. Well done, my brother. Well done. Profit is profit. I'm sorry to keep you guys here so late. No harm in taking profits. I don't blame you. It's just, if you don't obviously have the patience or you have to go sleep, it's probably best that you take profits and go sleep comfortably. If you can obviously watch the trade, it's better. It just is what it is. It's just some people actually have a life, unlike myself. I have no life. I just watch candles move up and down, which is really, really cool, you know. Imagine explaining this to someone what I do. Yeah, bro, I just literally watch candles go up and down all day. Yeah, it's the most funnest thing ever, bro. It's so sick, dude. You should really try it, man. It's really therapeutical, bro. What TP do you think you'll hold until? I think I might like move stop loss to break even once we tap this 8-9, right? Because at any moment we can reject off here and come back down, and I'm okay with that. So like 8-9 would be safe point. Am I too late to end the trade? Yes, you are, unfortunately, because we currently up around 110 pips in profit, bro. So it's not really ideal. We literally this far away already from our entries. So to be fair, guys, you know what's crazy is we actually got quite a good sniper entry, right? How crazy is that? Like, we only went down like 20 pips in drawdown, bro. That's not bad. That's cool. Damn it. See, like, I'm convinced we're gonna tap into those 8-9s. Like, that's fine. That's our safe zone. But at any point, it can reject and come back down and fill the range. So on this move, we should look at, we tap it into here, tap it into here, tap it into here. So we know that we got a strong resistance over here. So we tapped into that now. Again, see, we rejected off this level 3 times before. If we break and close above there within the next 5 minutes, that's really good for us. If we respect that again, we can understand. Then I'll probably start moving stop loss to break even. There we go. Okay, there we go, guys. Stop loss is to break even. Boom, just like that. Stop loss to break even. This is now a risk-free trade. And now we just see if we run. Because my safe zone is at alright, we ride in. Who's still in this trade with me? Can I get a W in the trade? At least, bro. At least one W. Come on, we've been sitting here for ages, bro. What can I say, bro? What can I say? What can I say? There can only be one, bro. There can only be one. There's the W. There's the W. There we go. What up? What up? What up? What up? There you guys are awake. I knew you guys were still there. What are you guys trying to hide for? There we go. 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 Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's run it. Let's run it. Run it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now you guys understand why I move my stop loss to break even on this one is because best is to secure some profits. I've got 2 positions running, so I'm fine. Currently up almost 8 grand on this trade. but I'm gonna move stop loss to break even. I'm gonna move it slightly in profit, like 7-1, so I secure some sort of profits. 5-1-7-1. Yeah, that's good for me. Secure a little bit of profits and let this run. 5-1-7-1. Let's see if we can hit TP2. Moving on stream again. Like, you guys gotta understand one thing. Like, why we moving stop loss to break even as well is because we can see we've previously rejected from this range multiple times, right? And like that was my safe point. Like, once we hit there, should have made second TP there, to be fair, but fuck, it is what it is. It's like one of those things. That's why I'm like, all right, it's fine. Like, I'm happy with the trade overall. Like, if you guys want to take profits now, we're already up 110 pips. It's really good. We peaked at almost 150. Yeah, about 150 pips. So far, so good. I think it was a solid trade. I think patience paid. And I think, like, we didn't even go. We went into 20 pips drawdown for, like, almost 160 pips on this trade, right? So my caution is like, again, we could still come down and retap into this level, because we saw that we tapped into that, and that would be pretty much our break-even point, because you tap it into that range, coming back down, filling it again. So that's why I'm like, all right, like, it is what it is. It's a good trade. If we didn't get that push to the upside on this move, we might still have to come down a bit more to shoot back up. But yeah, that was pretty much my idea behind this trade. I'll stay on a little bit longer, guys. I'll stay on until like about 9:30, see what happens. But yeah, good trade overall. How much you guys make? Send me screenshots, like send screenshots to my Telegram. I love to see you guys doing well, making money. Makes me happy, gives me motivation. Obviously, using proper risk management. I'm gonna judge you guys. Right? So don't be shy. Show me it. I'm gonna still say something if you guys didn't trade correctly, because it's gonna be like, well done. But at the end of the day, you gotta always trade cautiously, right? So we currently are classified as a win. So I'd say like 16 trades, no losses on stream yet. So 16-0, baby. 16-0. Because last time on Tuesday we didn't take a trade and I was 15-0. So yeah, 15-0. I mean 16-0. Shit. I don't like to say it before the stream because, you know, it can give a bad aura. But yeah, cool. Who else is doing this, bro? Who else is catching like 150 pip moves like on stream, mate? It's crazy. See, strong rejection of there. Normal, can happen, right? Oh wait, shit! I didn't move it properly. 176. Sorry, fuck. Damn, yo, almost got scammed out of this trade. Wait. Move it slightly into profits. See, it's all about understanding, guys. The most important thing is about understanding the greed aspect, right? You never want to be, you need to understand why price does certain things when it hits certain points. Like, this is important. Like, it's good to be in a trade, but it's also good to understand where can price reject, where can price push up to. This is where you got to get in and out, right? You got to understand that price needs to do certain things. It needs to tap into a level, it needs to come back down. So price needs to form structure. For us to form structure, we might need to come back down to our entry. So there's no point in making it putting risk onto the trade, right? This is like what I instill into you guys. A lot of you guys don't understand that. Tell this guy. What's up, bro? No, my account is not ran by a bot, dude. I'm fully real. I'm streaming right now, taking a trade. So it's definitely not. Some guy said, "Down, no, your account's run by bots." I'm like, no, dude, I'm right here, mate. I see every message. I see every message. I know you guys might think I'm crazy. It's what price can do. Oh. Just want to see if we come down to like that 7.5 level, like again. I was out for a while. Did you move your stop loss? Yeah, it's at break even. Yeah. I'll move it slightly to profit, like 7.6, just to secure some. But I took some profits at, like, we peaked at already like 160 pips. 160. Yeah. Peaked up there, and I explained that once we tap into there, you know, we could always come back down because we fill in the range, right? We tap in now, we're in this sort of range now. Show you guys, make it a little bit prettier here. So we're pretty much in this range now. Now we got to see how we're going to tap into this. Will price go back up? Oh, could. I just play my levels, bro. I just play my levels. No. Like, I still assume that we're going to hit up to here, but again, we might need to come down first. Like, again, that's why I'm like, I don't know. It could come down first before coming back up. That's why I want to just make it a risk-free trade. We peaked at already 160 pips. Like, there's no point in risking on this trade. There's no point in losing money on this trade, right? Might get a better entry down here again. So if you want to get access to the VIP, make sure, because I'll send the trade to the VIP group. Because there might be definitely like another entry down here. Like if we start to reject further down, right? That's why I'm like rather playing it safe. Great. We got some pips. We made some money. Let's rather be patient. Let's rather wait maybe potentially for another entry. That would be ideal. Make more sense, no? Why put me in a spot now where I'm going to be in drawdown and risking when I've already made money? Now I can just wait for better entry. If I'm still bullish, great. I can still just wait, right? Makes sense. Makes total sense. Like, why would I put myself in a losing position right now? Like, ask yourself that. Like, why would you put yourself in a losing position? We've just peaked now. We've gone up. Now price is forming structure, coming back down. You see what price is doing here now? See, this price could come down, tap this, tap back down here. This might not be the move. We might have another move, right? We might have another move, push to push us back up. This might not be it. That's the thing. So stay on for like another 10 minutes or so. So if you guys have any questions, feel free. So let's see, because I was like about to jump off, but like it's always like when I'm about to jump off, price does something. So like I'm trying to trick it, like be like, all right, like I'm leaving, guys, and then let's see. Buy at 5160. No planned orders just yet, bro. For me, no. Pretty happy with today. I think we had some solid trades. We don't need to force anything else. Like, we wait for A+ setups. If this breaks below, say 5170, do you think that it could valid sell down to 5130? It could be, but you're in the middle of the range, right? So my prediction is like, cool, yes, I do think that we're going to come on the tap this, but we need to obviously see, was this the volume candle that we needed? Was this the down? Was this the bottom? Or else we're going to be driving back up. Again, if we're going to take one at 5, where did you say? 5170, like somewhere here. 5170. We need more confirmations, right? We need more candle prints. Stop loss above there. down to there. It's not a bad sell, but at the same time, like, we need candles to print. I need like a candle to rejection candle. I need us to confirm that we are going to come back down. Good buy limit at 5160, bro. I'm not. I didn't say that. 5160. Again, we could come down and tap into the range. Like, we could come down here, no? Like, we're there already. Why? What's stopping us from tapping into there? Love it, bro. I joined late, but took some profit following your content. Keep it real. Amazing community. Cheers, brother. Appreciate you. Yeah, obviously, if you want to get access to the VIP, this is where I'll send most of the gold signals. Obviously, the free group, if you want to be in the free group, yeah, we send some signals there, but most of the signals get sent to the VIP. That's where we get like 2 to 5 of these per day. I just want to say thank you, Luke. The education on these streams, apart from actually making money, is just priceless. I've learned so much over the streams. That's great. Really happy to hear that, honestly. It's nice. That's what I try, and I generally try. Like, the money's cool and everything, but the learning part is the most important. Like, you guys, actually, if you learn something today, you guys won't need me. Like, I'm telling you, you guys won't need to come and wait 2 hours on my stream. You guys won't need to wait. You guys can trade whenever you want. You guys become independent traders, right? Like, that's the thing. If you guys learn, Morgan Durant told me you're the GOAT, brother. Yeah, could be, bro. Could be. I could very much be, bro. I still got a long way to go. We're 16 trades, no losses. So I think that's really good. I think for anyone to be 16 trades, no losses in general is really good. I would say congrats. So I have to give myself a little tap on the back. I think we've done really well. But I think we still got a long way to go, you know. I think there's still a lot of... I think there's still so much we can do. And this is just the start, you know. I think the group's been fire. I think the training's been fire. I think the education's been fire. I think everything's been good. Those of you guys who've been on my streams most of the time, I think you guys have definitely absorbed a lot of knowledge. And you guys are starting to understand a lot about price structure, candles, levels. You know, you guys are understanding. You guys are starting to look at candles a lot differently. You guys are starting to look at ranges a lot differently. You guys are understanding wicks. You guys are understanding, you know, patterns, what to look for, when to enter patience, why we wait for certain things. You know, all of this you guys can learn. Like, you guys are watching me do it. Like, I can't hide what I'm doing. That's one thing. If I can do it, you can do it. For sure. Right? If it gives you a peace of mind, guys, even try this yourself, right? Try what I do. Learn a bit. Try it. See if it lines up with what I'm doing. And then basically, you know, you guys can try it by yourself. You know, first try it for yourself. See if it works. And then see if there's any correlation. Like, sometimes when I send a trade, when I send a signal, see if it adds up. You know, that's what starts to build confidence. Luke's doing the same thing. Great. Could be right? I'm planning to wait for it to go back to 5190. Should I stop loss lower than BE? 16. Yeah. We haven't lost. I haven't lost at 16. It's tricky because where would you put your stop loss? Like, my stop loss is valid for sorry. My stop loss is valid for a reason. Like, where would you put your stop loss? Here. But what's saying that, right? If you put your stop loss below here, right? The next low is down here. So you would put your next stop loss, let's say hypothetically here. But then what's stopping price coming down here for a bottom wick for us to draw back up? It's in the middle of a range. Look what happened here. There's clean traffic here. Clean traffic here. So whenever we move from these points, right? Have a look at this. Here. And here. So that's dangerous, right? Because when price moves, it proper moves. So if you have your stop loss here, it's probably going to be taken out. It's going to be straight clean taken out. So that's what I'm saying. Like, overall, it's still risky, right? Because, like, you see what price does before. Once we get to these levels, it's just like no structure, just clean traffic. So yeah, right. So yeah, if you had like a if k sorry k then if you had if that was your plan or you had that in mind, just pay attention. Like, I'm not saying you're wrong, you could be very much right, but pay attention to why it's looking a bit dangerous, right? Always look left. Like, try and look left as much as possible. Don't look too far left. Like, fucking look as far left. Like, look what price has done during this range. You know, maybe this level is not respected, not respected, not respected, not respected, right? Even here, even here. Like, price just isn't respected between this range, and this is a massive range, right? So you could say, like, yeah, when we get to this level, can we take sells? Sure, it could be valid. Need more candles to form. So once it rejects here, once it rejects hard. That's what I'm saying. There's no reason for us to that happened to me, bro. I have a small account. What happened to you, bro? Sorry, don't understand. Might have missed that. Two minutes, guys, and then boom, bum, bum, bum. So we are out. A little bit of profit, nothing crazy. Those two trades pulled me in like 300. Then our TP3 went for 2k. So it's not too bad overall. Today's been really good. But when I jump off, guys, just pay attention to this, right? So we've come down, tap, 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 tap. But if we're going to move, we come down quite aggressively on the left, right? Stop loss hit, doing that method you just talked about. Yeah. Like I said, it's just, you know, once you start to trade a lot, you start to know, you start to look for things, and you start to understand why you're moving your stop loss break in. Why you start to look at candles, you start to look at everything differently, right? Everything starts to look different, and you understand you're not going for these 1,000 pips move, you're not going for these 400 pip moves, you're just going for small piece of the pie and you're getting out, because that's the idea. You're not trying to chase these massive moves, you're trying to chase, get in and out. If price is respecting, then you get out at a certain point, and then you start to understand, okay, ooh, look at the volume, right? Look at how price is forming, look at how candles are forming. No, I'm not re-entering. No ways. No chance. No chance. Now, it's not valid now. Because now we can close below here. Like in the next hourly, next 15-minute candle's going to close bearish. Now, what do you expect's going to happen next? We could come down and tap into here, right? Simple, guys. Like, understand what's going to happen. Yes, we could tap into here, but now price is forming a bearish structure. Now, we might need to come down further before coming back up, right? So you see how it works. You see, that's why you always got to adapt. You can't just be one-sided. You got to be always on top of things, right? Now we close bearish below here. Now can we just drop, come tap in here? Absolutely. Why not? Actually is a good like sell position here. I might take a sell here, boys. I might take a sell. Actually looking a little bit hot for a sell. I might actually take a sell. I'm actually just going to trade all night. I'm going to take a sell here, guys. Entering a sell now. Selling. Just based on that. I'm in there like a bear, right? 174. That's good. To be 175. So we're in there, guys. I think the move is to come down. $5.93. You guys who stayed on, you guys are getting extra sauce, mate. You guys are getting extra sauce. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Alright, let's drop. Didn't secure any profits. Let's drop. Price is gonna drop, bro. And now this is our gateway, because we got this whole level to drop down. Like as we see before, once price is respected, we tap there, tap there. Now I want to see prices drop. So this is a new one. So 7.4 between 172, I'd say, between that level. 5.1. What did I put my first one? 5.168. Guys, look at a little extra sauce here, extra sauce. Like, no. So I got in at, my interest pretty shit. I got in at like 5.173. So like in between that. Got quite a little tight stop loss over here, as opposed to like what we normally do. As I was saying this, I was like, if we close below there, probably pushing out a little bit bearish, right? Makes sense. Just I'm gonna be here like literally all night, dude. Fucking hell, dude. Yo, should have just gone to bed sleeping, but I saw this trade. It's a good setup. $5.168, right? Yeah. Let's use the toilet real quick. 1 second. Ah, fuck. My fucking elbow. I'm a crazy guy. Shit. Who all into this trade with me? You're also crazy. You're a crazy motherfucker. I love it. I love it. Oh, let's make a bit more money, eh? Those of you stayed on to right to the end, let's print. Let's print. Let's drop, brother. Let's drop. Let's just nuke. Nuke. Like a big one. A big boy. Big boy nuke. When's my food coming, bro? I think my food's at the door, mate. Who all got in this candle? Wait, do you ever ride a redemption down or reverse safety trade when in a trade? No, it's all calculated. It's all calculated. Like again, we had a break below here, closure. I said if we close below that, we're gonna be bearish, and look what happened here. Every time we broke below there, it's pretty much clean volume, right? And that's why I got in at here. So like a safe point is like dropping down to here, tapping into this level. That's what I'm looking for. I think like price was trying to push up today, but I don't think we had enough gas in the tank. So I think that price might have to come down first. That come down to at least break even there. Yeah. My entry is like 7.3, 7.43, but like, right? Am I too late on? I feel like you're always a bit too late, dude. Yeah, we just entered a sell now, so we were in buys. We got out of break even, but we hit TP1 close to TP2, but we're in sells now. We saw that price started to reject. Again, this is going to be a long stream, guys, so make sure to get your popcorn ready and enjoy the ride, wherever the ride may take us. Bro, what's to an AI? What's... What? There's a trade happening right now. Yes, sir. A sell. And you're still good. You're still good. This was more or less my entry, like 5173. Popcorn ready. Might be a long. You know, whenever we enter a trade, it tends to just like hover around. TP and stop loss. All here, brother. Top right. So I have something different. I don't have popcorn, but I have some Raising Canes. So got the lemonade. I'm proper prepared for this trade, you know. Now my food came, I'm actually alright. Like I can sit here for another 10 hours. Alright. Let's crash, baby. Let's crash. How do you guys feel like just sitting on the stream? Like I genuinely enjoy it. Like I used to watch a lot of streamers back in the day. I just sit and like watch. Someone's just in the background. You know, I'm just like curious. Like sometimes I'm not even watching, but I'm like still kind of listening. What's going on there? Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I have to eat. I do apologize. They don't give napkins, bro. TP and stop loss, yeah, brother. Like we're crazy trading today. Damn. But all valid. I expect like a strong push down. Stop loss is pretty valid. Because even that, we can extend our TP like even down to there. There's a nice 1.68. If we do crash hard, you know, if we nuke. Just gonna move my mic, yeah, so you don't get me in. been a longer stream. It's already 3 hours. Mad respect to everyone who's been on the stream for... Wait, let me put it here. Mad respect to everyone who's been on the stream. It's been like 3 hours and 15 minutes. So I hope it's worth it. Let's go. Let's go. Give one more for the road. I got nothing better to do than just trade. I used to trade like What was your guys' entries? I'm curious because like so guys, just a quick one. Obviously I only go live every Tuesdays and Thursdays, but if you want to get access to the groups, this is where you exactly send the signals. As you can see, TP1 hits, all the signals are updated in the VIP. Sometimes I do send a free signal, but if you guys want to get access, join the free Telegram community. Click the link, click this, send me a DM, get you set up. Also get a deposit bonus so you have extra capital to trade with. Get started, start making some P's, stop working your own 9 to 5s. That's 2025, alright. You get access to all these cool little groups. What do you peak at? Nothing crazy, man. 7.2. What did you guys enter at? What is your entries? 5174.27. Perfect. That's nice. Really good entry. I feel like if this is the candle, like we should start to see a strong rejection at some point because we didn't have that volume going up. So if we do get taken out, then we're probably going to be just push up to there. But my prediction is we're probably going to come down a little bit further. Top, bottom wick here, at least down to like this level, 5.9. 7.3. Yeah, so around about the same as me, 7.3. 7.3, 7.4. Here's some music. It's like the gladiator, bro. Like we're marching in. Like the final boss, you know? Is Luke gonna defeat gold again? 75.54, cool. Better entries. So around about like we're about 10 pips shy of each other, I'd say. Around about like 7.3, 7.5 was more or less all our entries. Yeah, so guys, so how Diego writes his numbers, when he does that, he's talking about the last two. So it obviously makes sense, but a lot of people don't know that. But it just is, it's quicker. Whenever I speak to someone about a price, I always go, it's around 7.4, 7.5, you know. Just understand that I'm speaking just on the last words. There's no point in saying 5175, 5174, so that takes too long, you know. Time is money in trading. Don't play with us, bro. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, a little bit more, bro. Just like, come on, a little bit more, bro. 6-8. It's alright. Picked it like 40 pips. TP, yep. TP, stop loss, everything here, guys. Nice little push down, wasn't enough. Push now, drive. Go, man. Needs to be a drive. If we see a drive, it's really good. Like, it'll be a strong push, right? Like, we break this candle again, great. We're gonna probably drive. We need to break this wick. Push. Push. Now drive. There we go. 6-5. Okay, tap TP1. TP1 done. Yeah, TP1 smash towards. I want us to drive a bit further, but that's fine. Like, again, if we break this again, drive. It's in a drive. So we want this just to drive now. Like, you see when it breaks that wick, it generally drives, but we need it to drive now. We don't want this to be a bottom wick. Why is it drive back up? Drive. Break this. Because then we can easy come down to at least like here. Like 6-3. That'll be our break-even point there. In selling, bro. Yeah. I updated in the VIP as well. I went a bit crazy here today. Crazy. I saw a selling opportunity, so I took it. Hope you don't mind. Yeah, bro, if you go away, I'm eating here. Look here. Look what I do, bro. Look at this. I'm eating by my desk. Like a sad little guy. Yeah, strong candle. Push now. Drive. Once you see that drive, it's gonna drive. It's gonna fucking drive, bro. Break this candle again. Break 6-5. Break 6-5, we drive. Then we start to move. We start to manage risk. Stop loss to break even. Straight up. Drive. Needs to break it now. Like now, in the next minute. Drive this candle. Drive. Go. Once it drives, it's gonna fucking drive. I'm gonna tell you now. Be prepared. Close your eyes. Bro. You see, because I didn't even put my stop loss take profit in, bro. Oh, I didn't put what they want in the first TP, bro. Because I'm just so locked. I'm just so concentrated. You know, there's so much things I got to do. See, I lose money sometimes streaming for you guys. Selling pressure has been much stronger than buying pressure. Wouldn't be surprised if it heads down. Yeah, like I said, I was still bearish, bro, on gold. I just like want us to pop. Like that was a good pop down there. If we pop, we gotta break 6665. Oh wait, 68. Let's see, break this candle. I don't want this to be a top week because then you could drive back up. It's so boring. Like when it does that. I want this to become like a new low. Come on, give us that candle. Give us that candle. It should just be one pop. Like if it hovers, it's not good. Next minute 30, we should pop this. Go, 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 go. Now, come on. Now. Go. Not brain in my mouth, man. Need to go now. 1 minute. Come, 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 come. Push, 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 push. Come on. There we go. Pop, 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 pop. Break it. There we go. There's a break. I should just pop. Pop. There we go. Pop again. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Look at you, little bitch. God damn it. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. But it's gonna pop big. Like this is not. It's not a pop. It's like a. You need like a. You know. I don't know if that hits 6.5. Wait. What did I have my? Oh, wait. What am I doing, bro? Oh, anyways, I actually made more money because I put my first TB at 6.5. I don't know why I put it at 6.5. We haven't hit 6.5 yet. We'd hit like close. Okay, let's see. 5 seconds. Gonna pop, gonna pop, gonna pop, gonna pop, gonna pop. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Shit. Maybe next 5 minute candle open up. Next 5 minute candle can drive. There we go. Another pop. Needs to be a pop, like a pop. Like you're gonna know when it pops. I don't know, I have my first TP at like 5165. I don't understand why. Like I don't know. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Bro, because no, I'm not stressing because it needs to pop, bro. This is the thing when you watch candles for so long, you understand what needs to happen. Pop. Because I want to show you guys the power of popping, mate. This is the secret sauce. When you know it's gonna pop, it's gonna pop. It's because it wants to drive, mate. It wants to drive. It wants to drive, and I just want to show you how when it drives, it's gonna fucking drive. Was the TP1 success rate so far today? What's the TP1 success rate so far today? 100%. Yeah, I think so. 100%, no? We've hit both TP1. But we're aiming for this TP2, but I need to pop it. I need to pop down, you know? Where's 60? Yeah. Oh. Wait, okay, wait, no, so I can close my first one. At 6.8, yeah, 6.8. Okay, let me keep that one there, safe. Okay, cool. Oh fuck, it just closed. That's so funny. I was literally, I was trying to move my fucking TP, bro, and it just smashed your TP. I don't know why I had it at 6.5. Anyways, fuck it. It's okay, whatever. What did we push down to 6.2? Fuck it, whatever. I Money's money, eh? I tried to manually close it. I was too late, but it was a good thing. Six oh, 6-0, baby, let's go. Come on, boots. Fuck, what a little sniper entry, no? How does he know, bro? How does he fucking know? That's crazy, bro. Fuck me, bro. That's like not even 10 pips, bro, in drawdown. That's crazy. How does he know? I don't. I'm just a guy who trades, bro. I just make this shit up, and then, like, you know, for some reason it's gone 16 times good for me. You know, it's just, it's mental. Oh wait, let me just see if I put in TP2. I'm trying to eat here, man. You see, I didn't even put in TP2. Take profit to 6. Alright, let me do that. And then 5-2. This one we're gonna manually watch. 5-2. Yeah, at this point, guys, stop loss to break even now. Already, we pushed down quite far. Like normally, because it's so close to TP2, I wouldn't risk this trade going into non-profit. 5-2, and then into. So I was waiting for that. I was waiting for us to push down a little bit further, but like I'm not gonna risk it. Really yeah, one risk this. Shit. Yeah, I wouldn't risk it on this. This was just a good trade, but really peaked down. Could have been a move. Now we just ride the wave. We ride the motherfucking wave. I've set in profit break even. Go put the kids to bed, but we take TP1. Good night, Anna. Thank you very much. Sorry to keep you here so late. I apologize to everyone. Pop sound should be a meme, yeah. Yeah. Damn. Oh, we. Okay, stop loss to break even on this trade. For sure, we're not risking anything more on this trade. Let me just do that before I forget, because you know I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna forget. No, wait. Oh my. Oh. Bro, I just closed both my positions. You know what? I'm not even mad. I was literally trying to... Just on the session alone, we've made $5,000. So, I am actually not mad. I don't care. I've made money. You guys have made money. I'm cool. Good night, sir. Me, India, sir. Nice. Very good. Me, South Africa, sir. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, brother. All right, if we come up to 7.5 level again, I'm gonna go sleep. I'm gonna go sleep. Ooh. I'm not gonna sleep. No, I'm gonna go sleep. But like, yeah, what's the time? It's like 10. So technically, we're 17 and 0. Broker sends you a message. I could use a massage. Thanks, man. The market maker's looking at me like, yo. Think we've helped you out, brother. How are you gonna pay us in return? What's the story here? Come to Dubai, baby. Yeah, they're happy. 6 p.m. in UK. Sweet. Nice, isn't it? You guys all happy for today? Like, what more must I do? I told you. Oh, here we go. Is this the move? Is this the that we were waiting for? Pop another. Bro, where are you trading from? Bro, I'm trading from Dubai in my room. Dude, what about you, bro? What's up with the caps, bro? I asked me 3 times. Dude, don't worry. I see you, dude. I just had some chips in my mouth. I was trying to get back to you, bro. I see you. Sir Apko Hindi Nahu Ato. Sweet. No idea what that means. Amazing day, mate. Thanks for the tips. Yeah, no worries. Thanks for the tips and the profits, you know. First time here. Love it. Sweet, brother. Happy to have you all here. I hope you guys, most important thing, you're from India. Alright, I'm from South Africa. What's up with the caps? I can see you, bro. I can see your message, bro. I can see you, dude. Don't be shy. If it's not caps, I'm still gonna read it, bro. Don't worry. It's not like it's caps. We caps friendly here, bro. We cool. I mean, likes to have Luke stream daily. Damn. Guys, do me dirty. You're daily. Sure. Nah, it'd have to be a lot. I have to be like a Mr. Beast, like, oh, bro, 1 million likes. I'm doing. Now, what you guys somehow figure out an algorithm and you get 1 million likes. I'm literally sitting your order like, damn, I made that. Now, I would say, honestly, if a single stream gets like 500 likes, I will stream every day. I think that's like reasonable. It's still a long way to go. Make sure you guys smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do that. It really helps the algorithm and it helps me. But yeah, like yeah, I would say like 500, because it's like, you know, it sets a challenge for the audience, and like it'll be good for me. Sir App Daily Ataho. Dude, still don't understand, man. Trying. Try use Google Translate and then translate that and then type it in the text. I feel like you're really trying to tell me something, bro, but I really don't understand Hindi, bro. I worked with a lot of Indian people back in the day, but I didn't understand the language. It's quite a tricky language, bro. Don't let me start speaking Xhosa, man. You see, you don't understand that either, right? That's Xhosa, bro. I speak Xhosa as well, the African language, bro. Surprise, bro. Ifani Yako Luke. Titani Fandi Fundi. You see, you guys are impressed with that, are you? I told you, bro. I'm a man of many traits, you know? Exactly. So you don't understand me, I don't understand you. It's not fair, right? Speaking English here. Everyone understands, you know? It makes it fair. You guys didn't expect me to speak Xhosa, yo. No, many traits. Like Luke, much love. Thanks for awesome session. Peace out, Dana. Thanks so much for joining. Sorry, I got brain in my mouth. He says that you are You come daily. I don't come daily though. Does he want me to come daily? So oh bro, what is my stream turning into here, bro? Again, my vantage train view is not synchronized like yours, bro. It's lagging. There could be a little but I'm gonna have to limit your chaps, bro, if you're gonna spam. I'll give you like a chance, but if you're gonna spam, I'm gonna have to limit you, bro. Do it again, I'm gonna have to limit you, bro. Don't let me do it. Nope, I have to do it, bro. I'll give you a chance in my phone. Channel activity. I'm gonna have to minimize your channel activity here, my friend, because you're being out of control here, bro. What's up with this, dude? Chill out, my guy. How do you like chill out, bro? How do I put him on a timeout here, bro? Timeout. Son, timeout, bro. Timeout, my friend. Alright? Put you on a timeout. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna put you on a timeout, alright? I'll put you in the naughty corner for 30 minutes. If you decide to change your ways, come back to me, alright? I have to put him in the naughty corner. So many Indians. Nah, I like Indians, bro. I like Indian people. I just don't like the spam, bro. I don't like the spam. It doesn't really make sense for me. It's like, chill out, bro. Everyone wants, like, because there's so much messages, bro, like that. I don't understand. I read every message, bro. So I don't know why you're spamming me like I've not seen it. If anyone spams me, they get a 30-minute timeout. That maybe put you in the naughty corner, right? I'm a very fair guy until I'm not. And we're pushing down here. We're pushing down here, bro. Oh my god. Hasbulla, where you from, bro? I love you, Hasbulla, not you Hasbulla. Bro, I love that guy, bro. If I can meet that guy in person, bro, it's like my dream, bro. Hasbulla, bro. I just want him to punch me, bro. It's like a dream. What's your name? My name is Luke. What is your name? Please don't spam, bro. I'm gonna have to put you on a timeout. Can I ask you a question? I'll answer you. Don't spam, bro. Because look what happened to your friend over there. Put him in the timeout, bro. Don't let me happen to that. So my name's Luke, bro. What is your name? Induri Vibes 22. I know that's not your real name, so tell me what your name is, and I'll dress you properly. It's crazy because the beats have really turned up, eh? What happened to the chill music, bro? What happened to the copyright, bro? We're not here. Yes, is when the girls come out to play. Alright, that was a lovely dinner. What are we gonna do here? I'd just love to take a shower, eh? Yeah. I don't leave you guys like hanging. Oh man, I can see your hero, baby. I can kiss away. Bro, my name is Saksha. Nice to meet you, Shaksha. Nice to meet you. And thanks again for joining, bro. If you haven't, please pop the like button and pop a subscribe. I'd really appreciate that, bro. We can be friends, bro. We can be friends, bro. It's cool. I'm sorry to time out your buddy, but look, rules are rules here, alright? It's out of line. I gave him a warning. What are you guys doing, bro? Are you guys just chilling? Are you in bed or what? Like, what are you guys doing, bro? I'm just curious. Like, this is the longest stream we've gone on for. What is it like? Jeez, it's almost 4 hours, dude. Thank you very much. It's almost 4 hours stream, dude. Sheesh. If you guys find some value in this, make sure to please like, ask me any questions. Yo, it's getting hot. I'll stay on, like, if we hit like 5175, I'm gonna jump off, guys. Playing The Last of Us 2 right now. It's been long. I've just broke my fast. Nice. It was for 4 hours. Crazy, dude. I don't even realize it's been 4 hours, you know. I thought like, yo, I just looked at the time and I was like, oh fuck, it's 10. I started the shit at 6:30, bro. I need to get a life, eh? Yeah. This is why I prefer later sessions, because like I could just go on, you know, like I don't have a set time limit and I don't have distractions, you know, during the day. So I want to do London session, but it'll be very strict times, you know, like I'll stream for like an hour, 2 hours, that's it. Hour and a half, because you know I still have lots of things to do throughout the day. So if I do this, it's like I don't have anything better to do, right? Like yes, I could go to see a lady or something like that, and nah, dude, nah, waste of time, bro. I'd rather be making peas, you know, making peas, bro. And then go see some ladies, bro. Let's see if any ladies have messaged me. Nah. Nothing. Dry. Very dry. Very dry. Mine is at 4517 right now. Why is that? What is it like? It's probably just the spread difference, right? The spread. So there's a spread on the there's a spread on the commission. You know, the broker has a spread to the broker to the charts, Adam. So sometimes it could be like 5 pips to 10 pips. You know, it could be quite big, you know. Just depends. You can check. You can right click. You can check actually on the charts. So my friend and I are watching your stream for a few hours. In the meanwhile, we ate. Very good. Very good. Is mine lagging or is Vander's trading view delayed? Yeah, no, because it's a spread, bro. It'll be the spread. We sit at the eating table this whole time. Nice. So you actually like ate food, or you ate because you made money? I think you literally ate. Like you did. Like I think you just ate food, right? You get something. Yeah, the boys ate. That's epic. Glad to see you guys are enjoying the stream and shit like that. It's really good. Alright guys, we're popping up to 175. I think that's me done. I might break even. It was a good trade. We peaked at soup 130 pips. It's like 160, 130, almost like 300 pips on stream today, guys. So again, guys, I will see you guys next week, Tuesday. Again, if you want to join the VIP, click the free link, click this, click join in, you won't regret it, and you get access to the swing groups. That's a scalp, sorry, I've just been on so long, bro. Everything looks the same right now. Scalp group, the swing trading group, crypto, education, and AI signals. Do you think it'll drop again? I don't know. I just made the sickest omelet and mashed avocado and taco mince chewy slide. Dude, that sounds unreal. What? Do you think it'll drop? Okay, we ate food and made money. I made 695. He made 400 plus euros. Thank you very much. All right. Happy to hear that, guys. Send me your screenshots on Telegram, like a message. I really appreciate it. I'll go through it now while I'm gonna go shower. I'll look at the phone, like, you know, sounds weird, but yeah, guys, it's been one heck of a stream. I'll catch you guys. Have a fantastic weekend. Peace out.